same house to protect one. But again, so where did they protect the girl? The girl will look at it and they don't also go para wasile. And they say to work and all security. How does this look like? The government is fighting for it.
What the pressure one is that? That's what I'm saying. What the pressure one? Because I want to hear our evidence of what they pay. One more you pay automatically. Some of them proceed in the case here. They used to bring them down. You matter then so. And come so come check on the moment is so only case got to investigate. Case here is more or less like a Ijesa own and this basis of a person. Just because you can system in everything you are justified that they were able to know that woman is going to only evil of the matter. We are still working on the case. Now, data analysis to gather men die of this mental stress more. You understand? Because of this sexual assault. Now, this your platform, sir. I will still want to say it again. That's just my own because questions of February edit down most of it. Please, sir, I want to beg you to also educate Nigerians about how they will be handling mental stress of any case to Batishele. Because what we are too emotional. Sorry. There's one brother that talked before mine because when you started that he was talking about this celebrity of the persons of people. Once they come online, so they find out I want you to also educate us, sir. Also educate us.
When it's education of me, my dear brother, look at an attorney general, a senior advocate, for heaven's sake. Of all the things that I was in my own my statement on Instagram after Ijesa was released, there were concerns of child pornography. There was concern of grooming a minor for sexual activity. Media, journalists could not ask questions on that aspect. Ijesa is at his house. He was out from the prison. The question is, the appeal court absolved him, or he has already completed his term. But the fact remains that we are looking into concerns of child pornography, of parental negligence, of grooming a minor for sexual activity, of a pedophile is on the run if truly the girl is 14, which is the one that they call her. These are the things that the Ministry of Justice and Attorney General should be addressing on a Sunday that will show to negotiators that there is equal justice and everybody that commits crimes against children will be punished. Not that they will say, this one, go, this one, stay. When they have access to them. These are the things they should be addressing. But they are looking for a way to twist your brain as well and give you guys content and make it look like they are better. They have done well. Because this media, they will not go there and address the right thing. They won't ask the right questions. They want to keep messing with your brains. They want to make it look like they are not doing anything. And we are serious concern. If truly the men of Ijesa has served his time and his punished his body forever, it's done. What about the other ones to the key aspects? Why are they not looking into them? Sure, you know what I mean? That's what they have solved it. It has been set aside. And that ruling is wrong. And you're getting. So anything nowhere at the trial court at appeal, what's the other? The only thing left is how to process it. Which is the Commissioner of Police is Solati Bere.
Much online, not even much online.
Okay, let me start. Let's go.
I can't stop looking. Big, in my opinion, big Yomi because my young son, his name is Yomi. So to go bad about online anytime. I like call you Big Yomi because especially in case of Baba Ijesa, but I Yomi Egbionju. Kabale activists to Sheba in Nigeria Matida Dubai. I swear to God. You have been coming with this case from the beginning, and then the rain along Obogoto Jaiba, you're not so young. Then where I'm going, Sherry, these people you are talking about, they own the social media. When the incidents happen like this, they know the people they call, they know how they connect themselves. If not God, by your name will not be fine in anywhere in Nigeria today. Because these people ready to pin you down there. Because I follow you any day, any night. When they are saying Yomi, Baba Suwe, Baba Ijesa, and all these things, then instead of people to find the truth and say the truth, they are hiding behind the social media and they know the truth and they refuse to say the truth. Then I'm coming to the Baba Ijesa. I should just say, if not that God is behind Neramali and Sam Larry, they will have been in prison by now. Today. These people wanted to bring them down. I don't know what they want from this. You know, I yet you see today, they are still behind it. Ọlọ́run tó fún ti Baba Ijesa ṣe, á fún ti Mohbad náà ṣe. We are behind you. I pray for you every day. God will always be there for you. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
In 2022, sir, answer the minute, please. In 2022, when the incident happened,
2021.
I'm taking back of 2022. Around that January issue, I was in location in Ikorodu. When I
happened 2021.
2021. Means for 2022. Incident to challenge me no go Baba Jesha 2022.
Okay, I'm go ahead. Okay.
Mo wà ní Ikorodu ní location kan mi ní dáwọ́ Anthony Sheye because of me I don't know. When I mention about Baba Jesha and Yomi, you see these people, there are people that are there. They nearly stole me that day because of I said Ija to Tony for that Yomi Jack. One year, me no be able to tell me no match for mommy nìyẹn. Because I said, she Yomi tí ẹ wo yìí ó jẹ́ tó fẹ́ gbowó ni. He's very close to Baba Jesha. Only ènìyàn tó máa gba ni lọ́jọ́ tí ènìyàn tó máa sin tí yóò bá kú kò ní fara pamọ́ fún yóò. If Baba Jesha can tell Yomi the truth, Yomi will say the truth out. Because no brother Yomi since 2018, mo ti follow wọn. Even is one of the people that make me join industry because I love him very much. But thank you, brother Yomi. We want justice on Mohbad issue, please. I know you are trying, but God will still be with you, and God will never let you down. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Timmy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
You're my good name, man. Opinion to me, as a white person, and if you at this moment, the only Kaliranda Baba Jesha, we are going to travel out to
Baba Jesha.
Baba Jesha will travel out to share wine alone. We're not very visa.
Baba Jesha, Cairo at any day. Don't come be long for the meantime. Even though they fight back, one need time to relax. That's cool on the because the more that change, the more change every time. See, my back on the environment, why? Why mama live here? So for the meantime, my own thoughts, maybe you should just the only help we can render for him to just leave the country at this moment.
You can go to Dubai or
you can go to Dubai, go on one bed. Only Japan one bed for 3 months.
Only Latin Dubai. Not African country.
For now, the only thing he needs is we need to leave the country. Because the country is shame. Because if at this point, time will go. So that's over long, you don't travel. By that time, it's need more evidence. So that I'm padà wá sílé, wọ́n lè padà sí camera, wọ́n lè ṣe nǹkan wọn yẹn àti mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti dé. So attention at the first scene. So if you can travel for the meantime.
You're valid. Thank you. I think everybody support that.
Okay, nice idea, yes. Adex.
Okay, Obi.
Hello.
Ṣé ká sọ
Hello.
nǹkan? Inú mi dùn ní jẹ́ta tí mo rí fídíò Baba Jesha bá tó jáde. Because èmi sì follow yín tipẹ́tipẹ́. Even lábẹ́rẹ́ látòrí àwọn fíìmù tẹ̀ ń ṣe. Bí kárátà yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ní real life. So ẹ jẹ́ ọ̀kan tó jẹ́ pé ẹ ní òótọ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń fòótọ́ ṣe gbogbo tẹ̀ ń ṣe. Because tó bá yẹ pé torí owó dẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe nǹkan yẹn ni àṣé ti ọmọ epo àbí ìyá ìrora ẹ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Tó bá sọ pé because láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ kéèsì ebi tó dé yìí ẹ dúró tán pátápátá. Tó bá sọ pé ọ̀rẹ́ ni ṣé rí nǹkan tí èmi fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. Ṣé Baba Jesha wọ́n lè lọ fún justice lórí kéèsì yìí? Because tí àwọn pípọ̀ yìí kan ṣe nǹkan yìí wọ́n bá mo jẹ̀bi. Baba Jesha ti lọ sẹ́wọ̀n ti dé. Tí wọ́n bá ṣe nǹkan yìí tán mo jẹ̀bi lọ báyìí wọ́n sì máa continue láti ṣe. Because ẹ bá rántí lórí kéèsì Mohbad orúkọ báyìí ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹnìkan ti sọ ìgbà yẹn sí Ọlọ́run ló yọ Naira Marley. Because ẹ máa torí pé bóyá èèyàn kan ti ṣẹ̀yìn tẹ bá gbọ́ nǹkan nípa ẹni yẹn ẹ ní fẹ́
investigate
ẹ máa fẹ́ lo opportunity yẹn láti attack ẹni yẹn tí ò dẹ̀ da. Èmi oríṣiríṣi báwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń búlé yín ní gbogbo ìgbà kéèsì mo rí ojú ẹ̀ tí báwọn comment section nígbà mi báyìí mo kàn máa ń pity àwọn èèyàn because kí ni kò bá jẹ́ ní Nàìjíríà wọ́n bá sí pé àwọn celebrity yẹn tó bá jẹ́ pé favourite artist wọn ni gbogbo wọn tó bá ṣe ló dá lójú wọn. Wọ́n fẹ́ rí wípé àwọn ẹni yẹn wọ́n jẹ̀bi wọ́n máa support wọn ni wọ́n máa support wọn. So ẹ jọ tí irú yìí bá lè pọ̀ láti máa help society báyìí ìlú yìí máa dà because èmi ò mọ bí èèyàn ṣe lè wà tó máa ju òfin lọ. Àwọn kan máa torí pé wọ́n ní access sí àwọn èèyàn kan láti máa fi fìyà jẹ aláìṣẹ̀. Ẹ jọ tẹ bá lè bá wa fight for justice lórí kéèsì ọkàn wa máa balẹ̀ pé aláìṣẹ̀ ò ní máa jìyà ẹni tó ṣẹ̀ because ìyá sí nǹkan tó ṣe bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà yìí so tí kò wáyé pé ẹni tó náà wà lẹ́yìn ẹni ẹlòmíì ò ṣe tó yẹn láti ti gbàbẹ̀ lọ because mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin olóòótọ́ ni Ọlọ́run wà because tó wáyé pé olóòótọ́ sẹ́yìn náà jẹ́ bàbá wọ́n máa ti ṣe pọ̀ tó ju ìlọ fún yín.
àìmọye set up fún Yomi.
Yoma, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Sorry to intervene. He's repeating himself. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Sorry to intervene.
ọ̀dọ̀ tiẹ̀ ló ti rí pé àwa ń gbọ́n tó sọ.
ẹni tọ́lọ́run wà lẹ́yìn ẹni ẹni tọ́lọ́run wà lẹ́yìn ìgbọ́n tọ́lọ́run bá sí lẹ́yìn bàbá ẹ̀yin gan ẹ lè má ráyè láti wá síbi ìmọ̀ ẹ lè má ráyè ìmọ̀ orí social media gan àní rí àmà òpin à everybody tí wọn bá yẹn bá dẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ àṣà bìlí pé àwọn pípù yìí tó tọ́ nìkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni ẹ jọ ẹ bá fight for justice yẹn so ọkàn wa máa lè balẹ̀ nílùú yìí pé òótọ́ ni justice wà ní Nàìjíríà ẹ jọ ẹ kúṣẹ́.
Thank you.
What I want to say is that it's a collective effort. She understand. We all need to come out in mass now. What's back roju gbogbo wa ti labai? Ẹ má jẹ́ ká wa náà ohun wa náà lọ ó máa ń lọ far. She get so tá bá support wọn tí à ń share videos wọn tá à like post wọn tá à engage wọn. She get that one alone sef it goes a long way. Thank you Adex. Ìjọba PF. And PFC.
Yeah.
I have 26 more minutes. 26 more minutes.
Mr. Yomi, ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o.
How are you?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Èmi tí àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ máta yín yẹn pẹ̀lú bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà lèmi ti ṣe follow up. Àmọye gbogbo àwọn obìnrin ló máa ń bá mi jàǹgbà yẹn gbàkan àwọn comfort. Nǹkan tí mi believe ni pé every disappointment is a blessing. So mo dẹ̀ believe pé gbogbo period tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ti wà ní inú àhámọ́ tó wà yẹn ikú rẹ̀ kọjá lórí ẹ̀ so many things rẹ̀ kọjá lórí ẹ̀ ṣe nígbà mi wà tẹ́pẹ́ àwọn èèyàn máa ṣèkà fún yàn but tí wọ́n bá wò deeply èèyàn á rí wípé oore ló fi ṣe understand so bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà fúnra rẹ̀ gan-an mọ nǹkan tó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sóhun tí kíníyàn bá kùn bó ṣe á kùn that's why I'm saying that every disappointment is a blessing.
What do I need to do there?
Èmi máa fẹ́ kí.
What do I need to do?
ọ̀dọ́ mi sorry.
Coordinator nàbí okay ṣé n fa bọ́ọ̀lù.
I move forward ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ bí tí mo sọ tabali move forward yẹn mi pé mo support nǹkan tí ẹni tó kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn sọ.
Not sex offender Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà is not a sex offender o.
tó lè fi kọ́kọ́ travel.
kò yé yín.
ṣé nǹkan tí mi sọ yé fún mental health Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà yẹn ṣé lẹ́yìn yẹn the next thing tí mo bá ní ká tó ṣe ni pé gbogbo step tẹ bá lè take lọ́wọ́ colleagues yín tẹ bílí pé wọ́n think bíi tí
tó dààmú la ma
tó wà plain bíi tí tó kì í wà bias with emotion gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe máa ń lo so dirty emotion on social media ẹ lè bá sọ̀rọ̀ tó lè jẹ́ kí Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà tètè padà sẹ́nu iṣẹ́ nígbà tó bá padà dé láti ibi tó bá travel lọ. That's the only word that can help him.
And he's very lucky. He's talented. So
very talented.
On his own.
Very talented. Even gan fúnra rẹ̀ gan by the time tó bá wà níbi tí lọ relax yẹn social media ti wà èèyàn gan fúnra rẹ̀ lè fúnra rẹ̀ máa ṣe fídíò kó máa make fídíò àwọn nǹkan tó ti ń ṣe kó tó di pé problem yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀
wọ́n máa ń ṣe
gbogbo wọn máa ń ṣe òyìn orí tó máa ń kọ yẹn kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jù síta a máa bá rí share ẹ̀ a máa follow ẹ̀ a máa bá post ẹ̀ ṣe understand kẹ́ bá modernize kẹ́ bá monetize page ẹ̀ gbogbo wọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kókó máa ṣe gbogbo yẹn lọ nígbà tó bá wà níbi tó bá wà yẹn for good 3 months or 4 months ṣe understand kó bọ́ sórí social media kó má worry lórí bad comment tó bá possible kó má ka comment whatever tí àwọn ètò wọn máa bombard ẹ̀ má jẹ́ kí n tọ̀ yẹn wọn máa bombard page ẹ̀ má bẹ̀ sí comment oríṣiríṣi nǹkan burúkú but àwọn tó jẹ́ tiẹ̀ náà wọn ò lè filẹ̀ wọn máa comment nǹkan tó dáa tó bá ṣe ń ṣe fẹ́yìn náà nìyẹn àwọn tí wọn like ibẹ̀ ṣe ń support ẹ̀ wọ́n comment nonsense àwọn tó dẹ̀ like nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe náà wọ́n comment good things so ẹ jẹ́ kó understand gbogbo yẹn pé wọ́n máa ṣe gbogbo omi tó máa ń kọ yẹn àwọn guys tó máa ń lò ń gbà yẹn tó máa ń ṣe backup fún gbogbo ẹ̀ tó bá lè máa kọ́ máa ṣe gbogbo nǹkan yẹn padà so ibẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ tó jẹ́ pọ́n fẹ́ ṣe MC náà tó ń ṣe pátó fẹ́ ṣe kí tó wọn máa pè padà.
wọn ò ní pé abẹ iṣẹ́ ìwé ẹ̀yàn lọ.
wọ́n máa lè gbowó yìí náà sókè tẹ bá shoot any film in this period tẹ bá shoot any movie yín.
àwọn èèyàn mọ level tí wọ́n fi damage Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà they don't know how damaged Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà is reputation is now. ọlọ́mọ máa pè fún DJ ta ló fẹ́ pè fún MC.
Daddy Ray.
Láti 2008.
ẹ fi sórí ilé ẹ̀sọ́ tẹ́fẹ́ sọ kẹ́kẹ́ rà.
mo mọ̀ wípé àtìlẹ́lẹ́ ti máa ń jà fún.
káwá ni òmò yẹn.
gbogbo mo rántí pé gbogbo bàtà wà lébùté mẹ́ta àjọba wa dis Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀fẹ́ náà ìyẹn tí mo mọ̀ ni. bọ ó ní ìdí tọ́nà fi jẹ́ kí bàbá yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ bọ àwọn èèyàn wò pé àwọn fìyà jẹ Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà kò sẹ́ni tó fìyà jẹ Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. ṣẹ́rí gbogbo nǹkan táwọn wò pé àwọn ṣe yẹn I just like ó yé Ọlọ́run but what I would just say is like Mr. Yomi gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tó ń sọ pé kan wá bí a continue to travel out I decide maybe
in my opinion, if I travel, I think Dubai podcast. Come lọ sí Qatar, come lọ sinmi síbẹ̀, come lọ relax. Come refresh brain wọn, wọ́n ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kán ṣe. Come forget about nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀, come move on with life wọn. And I know.
Wà easy láti lọ Qatar, kò easy láti lọ Qatar. Ibi tí o ti ṣiṣẹ́ tó ṣe kọ́kọ́.
Ṣáwọn ọmọ kankan.
I know. And the same thing not Dubai. I'm gonna get the same thing not in Dubai.
He has nothing to worry about. Like I'm saying.
I know everything will be fine. I know everything will be fine. I even have for the comments to God. I'm very happy for you. I know. I'm follow my going to buy. If you thought today, thought today, I'm not going to buy. You need a lot of shake on some.
Come on, let me. Magano Zewale, movie zone. Are you there? Magano Zewale, movie zone.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone.
Please send your request, please.
And finally, General President.
Kí ló ń ṣàwọn pípé yìí? Ṣé bó mọ̀ pé wà láìpẹ́ tó dẹ̀?
Ṣé wọ́n bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ní kan? I can hear him faintly.
What is it on? It's on.
Okay, 2K.
Yeah. Wake up, Mr. Yomi. Mr. Yomi, even though, like, I don't know if you have gone through my comment, Nisale. Honestly, you are a clear example of how a relationship should be.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Because by no man. Baba Ijesa is not your family at all, but you're just a colleague. You never forsake him for one. You stood by him from day one till the end. Fine. Ọlọ́run ló bẹ lẹ́san, ilé tí yín náà ní dàrú, Mr. Yomi.
Amen.
Nípa pé kó travel yẹn. Well, àwọn tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ náà, they spoke very well. Everybody. Kọ̀ǹgọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ wà very okay. But I want to stand indifferent about it. Because àtẹ̀báwo story Orlando Owo nígbà yẹn. When Orlando Owo was incarcerated and he was put to jail, I think shortly after he came out from the jail, Lua released his experience that day. And when you listen to experience you know to sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Aunty Sayo Lalagbon. And it's one of the most evergreen in album Orlando Owo. Now that Baba Ijesa has come out now, Mr. Yomi, you have done your best. You have done your best. What is needed now? We believe Baba Ijesa bá rí owó, or tamale rally round, or people like our tabali, our their fans, or our Yomi. Because she why Bemi saying was sympathetic, see, thing with the love for Mr. Yomi. Other people too are still sympathetic to Baba Ijesa. Baba Ijesa is a very talented artist. Very talented artist. There are people out there that are ready to help. Lati Kowole. Experiences here during those travel is enough for a good story.
Wọ́n ti damage Baba Ijesa. Àwọn people yóò mọ̀ how damage. Wọ́n ti mọ̀.
I don't think so.
Níbí báyìí 10 years ni wọ́n ló fi máa wà lórí sex offender. 10 good years. O lè ṣiṣẹ́ anywhere. You can't.
The fame. This is the time people want to hear his own side of the story. People want to see him.
Kò burú.
Video ìgbàsọ́pọ̀ jáde kó ń sẹ́ẹ̀dì tears yẹ. Ẹ lọ wo àwọn platonic followers tó ti ní for now. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe Mr. Yomi. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe
I want those people that are shying away from some honest truths, making it look like the Bible that told us the story of Joseph and how Potiphar's wife lured him, set him up, and still be the one to accuse Joseph of wanting to rape. They make it look like the Bible was supporting rape. What the Bible is telling us is that this thing will always happen amongst us. There are some big head amongst us that what they want to do is weaponize sexual abuse. It's too discomforting. It does not make any sense. The man left his house for a different purpose, but you have altered it for a different purpose. Of course, it's quite sad. Part of the help is for people to accept the truth and even feel the pain that they contributed to the selective justice. Because all the things, that's why if people have been allowed the police to do their job, Christians will be in serious because he will be sentenced to life. Seriously. Somebody that mess up with children that way is having one of the reasons why people living in the UK should be so concerned is that this princess she will use them as bits.
I'm a campaign by
Is it UK? It's
It's
precisely
in
UK.
UK seeking asylum. So it is important that we have to establish before the government of
Who is pursuing her? Who is pursuing her that is seeking asylum?
ó dá wàhálà lé wa kí sí ìfàsàlọ.
Imagine.
I'm a campaign by
I come from maybe have one sex couple, then they will mess up many people. Anyway, we say, well, only the mental problem should be thinking of doing the same thing with another person's child in UK, including her mother.
God is a bad fighter. God is a bad fighter. When God fights,
ẹ má parọ́ mọ́ Ọlọ́run ìjà ẹ̀yin kẹ́ gbé ẹ má parọ́ mọ́ Ọlọ́run mi láìkí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe parọ́ mọ́ Ọlọ́run.
So thank you so much. I have just 15 more minutes. Before the music break, thank you so much, Robert. Thank you. I appreciate it. Before the music break,
Ọlọ́run is not going to fight for anybody. Ẹ̀yin lè máa jà fúnra yín, everybody ló máa jà fúnra ẹ̀.
please don't forget we're still seeking justice for Mohbad, and we need to put our heads together, and we need to demand together right here.
Irọ́. Ẹ wo ṣe gbogbo ilé. Ó ti fún mi ní kinní, ó play music, ó fún mi copyright. Anyways, that is it for Baba Ijesa. Ẹni báwo yẹn ṣe ń ronú. Ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa. Nigerian government ṣe ti rí Lagos yẹn wọ́n ti pollute ẹ̀. Àwọn kinní náà control Nigerian police, Lagos state. Àwọn wèrè yìí àwọn náà control Nigerian police force. Wọ́n máa blackmail wọn ni tó bá ti ṣe kinní báyìí wọ́n máa blackmail wọn ni. Anyways, celebration mode ní Yomi wà, so mo ti kúrò lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ torí ó sì ń jó lọ́wọ́. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ́pọ̀ lórí platform ẹ̀ about 1,700 and something. Anyways, àwa la máa ń fi emotional sí gbogbo nǹkan. Gbogbo ibi tó yẹ ká channel brain wá sí àkín channel sí nǹkan bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Ariwo tán pa síta yẹn la máa pa ẹni wo kí ni báwo ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀, báwo lẹni ṣe báwo náà ṣe dé junction yìí, kí ni wọ́n jọ sọ papọ̀, kí ni nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀, báwo lọmọ ṣe get involved, báwo ni camera ṣe jẹ́, so many things, so many questions. Àwọn yẹn bóyá fọ̀ṣẹ̀ náà fi ń bá Nigerian government sọ̀rọ̀ ní kò tiẹ̀ yé mi. Ṣé o ti ṣe tán?
Thank you very much. My network is lagging though, but let me manage it before I run away. I'm still busy. I'm yet to back from my holiday.
Oh.
Yes, Mr. Yomi, I want to appreciate you so much. Yeah, I want to appreciate you so much. And everywhere I see you, Facebook, Instagram, I always comment very well. You might not know my accounts over there, but I still do that. And yeah.
Okay, you're not part of the underground.
The truth is that.
What? Are you part of the underground?
No, I can't be under G. I am a state. Lie, I cannot be under G. I think I love the fact that Baba Ijesa is out. I was so glad. Few days ago, Honorable Temitope, can you mute, please? Few days ago, I think I saw his snippets on live, and I shed tears when I saw him talking about friends and what have you. And I really appreciate your efforts so far. I will say this, right, quickly, that the only language to bully is bully itself. The only language to violence is violence itself. Yes, we saw a video of a young man who was handcuffed that he molested his 2 daughters at the police station. He was shocked. And look at a few days after, he came out to be innocent, Mr. Yomi. And the man was like, my 2 daughters? How could I do that? I mean, he didn't even stay long. While they were coaching the eldest one, he was saying that my daddy touched my bum on Saturday. We heard the voice note, and it was, alarming at that stage. But the man didn't go anywhere, but he was innocent. And look at one important part where I listened to you. I reposted it again this afternoon. That, and most of us, we were not aware of this line, that they did a test for that same lady, that her vagina was still healing. So the issue of 7 years ago claimed, yes, the issue of 7 years ago claimed by Auntie Olomuya, Auntie Oloborun, it was false. That he used a key to devising the lady. I mean, that's crazy. That's crazy. Baba Ijesa is one person that we love his slangs as Yoruba actor. We love what he was doing, and he should not go anywhere. He should stay on this social media. We want to welcome him back. We want to give him that confidence. We want to give him that backup. Exactly. In the social media, he will gain his ground back. He doesn't need to go anywhere. He's here. He will eat the fruit of his labor. You know, Thank God. Kò bẹ́ sínú àjò. He was not dead in that process. He came back alive.
Right, exactly.
Yes. All he need to put his life together, work with you, and I want to see him back on the screen. We love him so much.
One of those scary things, Mr. Rotimi, what you just said now.
Yeah.
The time I visited Baba Ijesa, before my birthday last year, he was telling me how some of the people that were in prison, the way they were dying. And he's like, I didn't sleep with any child. Am I going to die in this prison?
See?
I said, and the father was already dead. He said, my dad died. I couldn't go and bury. If only I slept with him. And the person that actually slept with this girl, the princess, the yabo, the government, they refused to touch them. Me that I didn't sleep. I didn't do anything. Look at me. And at the end of it, I said, keep praying. You won't die. When it's time for your freedom to
Mr. Yomi, èmi fẹ́ ra lé o. Ẹnìkan ló ń fẹ́ ta lé òun. Ẹ bá sọ pé owó wà lẹ̀.
You buy that kind of house, Jesus name.
I mean, you keep on destroying men all because you have hatred somewhere. You must get healed by yourself.
You know why this man that did this with this current man? Don't know about it. You always cook up something.
Exactly.
All this arranged, organized crime it's not acceptable. You don't cook up attempt to abuse children. Don't package it. Don't prepare it. You prepare the location, you prepare the actor, the actress, and the girl to be touched. You can't do that to prepare the camera to record. That is no longer a natural crime. How can you prepare that a child should be abused? Oh, but also record abuse and then the government were looking the other way. How can an attorney general go the other way? It's a country. How can you prepare a table? You prepare the girl, you prepare the location, you prepare the camera to record it. All these things were prepared in advance. It didn't happen naturally. And then you invited it for a different purpose. Look at the video, so disgusting. And the girl was able to say, touch me. Because you prepared a very conducive, amorous relationship within them. You were not prepared. You were so confident for them. And then they removed her. You understand what I'm trying to say? We saw the video. I need to go to Baba Ijesa. You want to prepare. Incident was prepared by princess. And that's all those things. Prerequisite for such action is error. It doesn't have propensity in law. But in Lagos State, they said it is a law. They allowed it to work, to flow. And the woman ran away. That is the question I expect that this journalist will be asking. Not that whether Baba Ijesa served his time or there is no appeal. Champion or Yoko Baba Ijesa. They removed anything sexual, whatever it is, back in 2013. They removed it. And that was what I echoed. He has served his time, is out. But if you are there, it should be allowed to be established. They should do the right thing. Then they will realize eventually that you've punished the man unjustly. Because at the end of the day, Tom Ever again 19-year-old, no crime has been committed by Baba Ijesa. But
these are areas where there are areas you raise alarm about, and they refuse to listen to look into that area. The age of that girl. You keep on talking about that age of that girl. That girl. And again, the girl was constantly having an affair in the house. And they refuse to talk about this. I even met a seaman. Few days. It's crazy, Mr. Yomi. And these people are so wicked that they don't even care about the girl sleeping with a gate man in the house or whatever. All they care about is to bring down this man. The most heinous part of the crime.
It's quite sad, though, my brother.
They cover it up.
Mr. Rotimi, he thought you are disgusting. In the same house. Security layer, somebody accused. Princess Death a year before. Over they will court. To testify, but yes, or a year before. When they get work free. Okay, when they get work free. And I'm like, what is going on? The same minister should have changed the Chinese and say, hello, young woman. Princess of jury. See evidence from Babami. Oh, yeah, dear mommy, I'm doing it. I share the camera which I'm set for. Because why I did again. I'm saying why I did.
There's no need for camera. Even the confessional statement is enough for police to investigate you. They don't need to set camera. Yes. They don't need to set camera.
Let's be honest with ourselves. We are Africans. With that kind of a terrible, disgusting woman like that person, you would because you have evidence, you will not get to know that they penetrated a 7-year-old and they gave her, she will have multiple tears. That thing that time happened,
yes.
The girl was under your custody. You claim that you didn't notice anything. The girl did not fall sick. You didn't see blood. She didn't complain. Is it possible for a 7-year-old to be disfigured? Come out here sick. Then come out and say, it didn't tell me. It's possible. To know about information. Over way from.
For the first time.
Now, let's
For the
assume
first time at that age.
let's now assume that you did not even know. Let's assume that you did not know. And then you get to hear 7 years after, when the girl is now mature and she's already having sex with series of men that you know. What's on your phone? Why do you want to set camera? Forget to Tibo, but in sex already, but security there. Why are people making it look like it's a real crime? What is wrong with our justice system? As at the time princess was going to set the camera, she knew that she's already sexually abused, having relationship with the the security. So why would you not make the person look like a victim again? You now call your own colleague. Yeah, come and touch her again. How does the girl look like a genuine victim? She's no longer an innocent victim because she's already having nothing philandra, nothing better, you know. So it's already an organized crime. One set the camera same day. You can't be doing that to human beings. It is not a society that can ever be successful if we continue to encourage things like this and our justice system are aiding and abetting it. If they have put that princess in our place and said, no, madam, we want genuine victims so that we can give them voices. This one that you did, no, it's not making sense. You cannot, as a parent, even if the girl told you that this was our experience, let's assume it happened. Why do you want her to suffer PTSD again? Why do you want her to go through another trauma? You are already accessory after the fact, and you're going to go down for this. You didn't even tell the police. Police denied princess that all the camera settings, they don't know anything about it, they didn't support it. Court me that I'm saying this. Yes, the government does not think they should charge her for all those crimes. But everyone shared that job. Princess very close to 17 count charges. And 2 to 3 of them will be carrying capital punishment. Capital punishment. And there is no way they will even charge Baba Ijesa for even defining any charge because police anything. Because, case file, I'm on touch only healing broken eye. I was a job 7 years ago. See, virginity, you know. So certainly, there's no way. That was a lie. They would have been charged Baba Ijesa for life imprisonment. They want him to go for life imprisonment. They want him to go for 16 years. For where? What if the judge mistakenly says Baba Ijesa should go for consecutively 16 years? But the judge used access. This is the last hope of a common man. He can't go for consecutive. It's concurrent. Oh, sorry. Because he cannot see anything other than sexual assault. Which, of course, must even be well proven with that age. Or they prove it, but the age, you know. That certificate, original criminal, it's your proof. The same ministry, the same attorney general, undefended, whether Ijesa was allowed to go free or not. They are not defending the right thing and say, why? I'm sorry, I wasn't there as a commissioner. If I was there, I would be charging princess for, grooming a child or a minor for sexual activity. I'll be charging her for pornography. I'll be charging her for parental negligence. I'll be charging her for torture. I'll be charging her for misinformation. I'll be charging her for withholding and obstruction of justice. Because failure to provide the best certificate of our girl is a serious criminal offense. If they have allowed the case to go the right way, they would have brought the original best certificate of that girl. Then they realize that, why did you not make us to charge this man? So you used an adult to set the Baba Ijesa up. And you are calling her 14-year-old and making us think she is a pedophile. Your word thought he is a pedophile.
Good evening.
Pedophiles,
Good afternoon.
Sexual predators. But this one that you set up, you even made them to touch themselves.
Mm-hmm.
You invited him to come and touch the girl. You put the girl to wait so that it will be touched. Not that it happened natural. So the time princess was leaving the door, Aisha thought he was there to shoot movie or skit. And suddenly you switched. Get into the shadow now. She knew she needs to give Aisha face. She needs to do so many things. So it's becoming a serious melee.
Okay.
So we go down something. It's quite disgusting. I gotta go now because I told you guys I'm going to be stopping at this minute. So I want to say thank you for coming through. Thank you for your audience. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for your audience. Thank you for coming through. Thank you.
Well, thank you for coming through. Thank you for your audience. You on Facebook. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
So,
Can I proceed? Yeah.
Just say this other 1 minute because I gotta go now.
Okay, thank you. I want to greet Baba Ijesa, congratulations, and you yourself, congratulations for the good, well done job. And honestly, I'm very happy for you. I'm very happy for you. I'm happy for Baba Ijesa. People don't know you. If they know you, they will not even lie against you, talk less of being carry a bad rumors against you. Sorry, Kid Boss, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody, please. Yeah, good afternoon, ma. So me, I've known you for long years ago, and people that knows you can never gang up against you because you don't tolerate nonsense, and you will never stand for the back people that is being back or telling lies. You know, to help people, you derive joy inside. You know, to follow the honest people, you see it as priority for you, which people don't know you very well. Honestly, I'm so sorry to say this. Assuming the wife, your baby mama, if she knows you very well, she won't have even gang up against you. She will have even stayed in a loving place that you place her. honestly speaking. She's going to miss a lot and she's going to regret it later. Once again, I say congratulations to you. Carry on. Don't stop the good job you are doing. Don't look back.
Thank you.
Don't look back. Don't feel relent. Don't feel relent. You can see now, it may take time, but sooner or later, the truth will come. You understand? And it will reflect and it will be very obvious for people that what you are fighting for, what you are saying is truth stuff. You understand? Please carry on. I don't need to talk too much because you know I know you. I know you and I know what you can do. I know what you're capable to do.
I know,
and I know what, in fact, I can fight for you without you being there, honestly. But still carry on. God will be with you. God will be your strength. The God will continue open way for you when there is no way. And God will continue protect whatever that comes out from you and whatever that is going to come out from you in future. God will be with you. All the people that support you with truth-minded and one-mind person, God will continue to provide for them also. I really appreciate their effort and your effort too. Thank you. Carry on. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my panelists, both the president and all those that were in. But I can't go without giving the Senate President Espanda. I don't know if he's available to speak or address us. I don't know if he wants to say what. Senate President Espanda, are you there? Do you want to leave us with a parting word?
I'm going to say congratulations to all the jurors on the Jesha's case. Congratulations to all justice seekers and whoever determined to fight for just cause.
Anyways,
This
mo
is
já fáwọn eléyìí
all
zi mama wà ń tà zi ní sẹ zi mama ní sẹ ẹ já gbọ́ nǹkan tí zi mama fẹ́ sọ ó ga o. Zi mama ọmọ alálùbáríkà èmi ni Lizzy Anjorin gbọ̀kọ̀ ẹ̀. Bó ni Zee ti jáde ẹ gbà mí kẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi péjì ni Zee ti máa ń jáde lójoojúmọ́ ṣá báwo ni ṣàlàáfíà ni o àwọn tolúyọ̀lé èrìà ó ṣe kéré mọ́tò yẹn àwọn tó wà níbẹ̀ àwo ni wọ́n o olólùyọ̀lé èrìà àwọn tó wà níbẹ̀ àwo ni wọ́n o.
None of you could tell her that as a none of you could tell her that as a none of you.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Mi ò dẹ̀ ní táìmù yìí o tí mò ń lò ń bí báyìí o. I'm telling you, I don't have this time.
Ṣùgbọ́n ṣá o, royalty Mohbad, foundation mi máa gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ royalty Mohbad. Gbogbo yín tún bugi jẹ́. Naira Marley ló pa. They will use weapon of crying, all this olórí burúkú woman. Weapon of crying. Torí pé wọ́n mọ̀ pé 80% of Nigerian social media are full.
They are full.
They don't think.
Wallahi. Ọlọ́run Zee mama.
That is why you see a white man. Oba máa sọ pé wọ́n máa wọnú ojú ẹ̀ báyìí wọ́n máa mọ̀ pé òun parọ́. Kódà kó máa sún ẹ̀jẹ̀. Wọ́n á wọnú ojú ẹ̀ wọ́n á mọ̀ pé òun parọ́.
Nígbà tó ti mọ̀ pé òun làwọn tó ń bọ̀ wá bá rojọ́.
For almost 7-year-old, she cannot pretend or hide the pain. So if a parent cannot detect that a 7-year-old was defiled under her, and then the question we're expecting the police and Lagos State government to ask Princess is, where were you when this girl was deflowered? Because Aisha doesn't leave your house. So if he came to your house and spent probably 30 minutes or 40 minutes and
someone that did wedding within 2 weeks of her wedding, marriage took her. Ṣé láàrin 2 weeks yẹn lọ́kọ ẹ ti bèrè pé kílé tó bímọ kọ́kọ́ filẹ̀. Máàmì aláṣọ àdúrà mo mà kí yín o. Àtìlẹ́yìn tó wà ní ìgbéyàwó 10 years kò tí bímọ kò filẹ̀ o. 5 years kò tí bímọ kò filẹ̀ o. Within 2 weeks, marriage wọn ti túká. Ó fẹ́ ọkọ láàrin 2 weeks. Ẹni tó sẹ́tì Ijesa òpó. Ó fẹ́ ọkọ ṣe marriage after 2 weeks, marriage túká. Ó dẹ̀ bọ́ síta, ó dẹ̀ parọ́ fún yín pé torí pé òun ò bímọ ní marriage òun ṣe túká. Just to nail Ijesa to prison. Pẹ̀lú bó tún ṣe nail Ijesa to prison yẹn kò tẹ́ lọ́rùn ó tún padà bọ́ta. Ó ní kí gbogbo yín sá fún. Kọ́dẹ̀ bá orúkọ, kọ́dẹ̀ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́. Òun ò dẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ pé ẹnì kankan gbèjà. Òun ti bí kú. Ó máa fò wá láti UK wá máa arrest àwọn èèyàn Nàìjíríà.
found your 7-year-old daughter and left for his house. So
iṣẹ́ tó ti yà ti pẹ́. Iṣẹ́ tó ti yà. Ìpé mo fẹ́ lọ já dúró ní UK. Story wọn lè fún wọn o pé wọ́n fẹ́ pa mí o. Wọ́n ti sọ fún pé story raping ni o. Ta ni mo lè fi ṣe scapegoat tó ti promise ní fífẹ́ tí ò dé fẹ́ mi mọ́ láti jọ ètò fi mí lẹ̀. Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni wọ́n ṣe fún l'ambassador ẹ̀ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ kó go viral kó lọ ní newspaper jẹ́ set camera àwọn evidence ti máa fi ṣe àdúró ní London nìyẹn ní UK jẹ́ set camera gbogbo bá ṣe lọ court máa ní kí newspaper máa gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ ní máa tender fún ìjọba pé wọ́n fẹ́ fi fún mi ní asylum máa fi gbàwé gbèlú ó ṣe bá ti Ìjẹ̀ṣà jẹ́ nìyẹn.
ó bá tẹ̀yàn kan jẹ́ fi gòkè.
òun lè ṣe rí pé immediately by fly gbogbo evidence yẹn lọ kó jọ tó lọ fi orí Ìjẹ̀ṣà sí asylum ní UK.
Your daughter is so scared that even if she has been threatened not to speak, there is no way you, the mother, will not notice.
Now, wọ́n ní Ìjẹ̀ṣà threat ọmọ láti má sọ̀rọ̀ ó wá sá lọ ṣebí ẹni téèyàn bá ń lójoojúmọ́ tó yẹ pé tó bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí tó bá ti wojú ẹ̀ báyìí ẹ̀rù máa tú báyìí ò ní lè sọ̀rọ̀ bóyá o fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ńsìn ẹni tó ń threat wọn àwájú ẹ̀ ṣebí òun ló máa bẹ̀rù but ọdún kan ọdún kejì ọdún kẹta ọdún kẹrin ọmọ yẹn dẹ̀ sì tún bẹ̀rù láì rí Ìjẹ̀ṣà kò dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ wo irọ́ tó pa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn òbí ò dẹ̀ jókòó kọ́ reasons sí can this truly happen with all this narration ẹni tọ́mọ bá ń rí lójoojúmọ́ ká lójoojúmọ́ ló ń rí Ìjẹ̀ṣà bó ṣe parọ́ ọmọ yẹn a máa ní ojú Ìjẹ̀ṣà ló ń bọ́ ọmọ yẹn lẹ́rù torí ẹ̀mọ́ máa ṣe báyìí tó bá sọ ti bá ọmọ ò rí oṣù kan oṣù méjì tó fi dọ́dún kan ọdún kejì ọdún kẹta ọdún kẹrin ọdún ẹrù òde ẹ̀bọ ọmọ náà kó sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ tẹ kílẹ̀ pé tó bá rí Ìjẹ̀ṣà ní tẹlifíṣàn á máa gbọ̀n á máa sọkún ó wá dẹni tó ń bọ́ bàtà fún Ìjẹ̀ṣà ọmọ tẹ ní má ṣe o ayé burú o nǹkan táyé bá mọ̀ torí ẹ̀ don't let people know your weak point ọkùnrin ní Ìjẹ̀ṣà nínú industry wọn lọ máa ń fa àwọn obìnrin ṣe gbèsè lọ́wọ́ gbé bọ̀ láàrin wọn bẹ̀yẹn so he has used to it so possibility wa kan tí mo wí pé Ìjẹ̀ṣà láìkó obìnrin ẹja package eléyìí fún so wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé ó láìkó obìnrin òun lọ ṣe wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé ó máa fọ́ wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé ó máa fọ́ òun lọ ṣe ra lọ́mọ wọn tó ní small station tọ́lẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kì í ṣọmọdé because ọmọ tí tó bá jẹ́ virgin gan lọ́mọ yẹn wọn lè fi set up kó mọ bó ṣe ń bọ́ bàtà fọkùnrin kó jókòó sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ọkùnrin kó máa lọ kó máa bọ̀ wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé eléyìí náà ṣe pẹ́ tẹ́ rí yìí náà wọ́n ti gúdù gan wọ́n ti kọ́ ń ṣe dáadáa ọmọ tó ti ń dóko wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó bá rí ilé ó máa lárí mọ́ òun lọ ṣe rọra bá sẹ́ẹ̀tì CCTV camera wọ́n dúró sínú ilé mò ń bọ̀ wọ́n ti mọ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ ìyàwó náà ṣe sí ó bá ń bọ́ bàtà ọba ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin tẹ́ bá róbìnrin tó gbé súnmọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ tiẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ ṣé ẹ̀ ní dóbò ẹ má parọ́ náà don't let us lie tóbìnrin bá gbé súnmọ́ yín tẹ̀lé rí bó láìkí bóyá àsìkò yẹn náà ara ó bẹ̀ yín náà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan ṣé ẹ̀ ní fọ́ ni wọn á parọ́ wọn rán ẹ lọ sí school ẹ bèrè wọn rán Ìjẹ̀ṣà lọ school ọdún mẹ́rin lọ fi múra tó rán Ìjẹ̀ṣà lọ school torí mọ̀ pé Ìjẹ̀ṣà tẹ bá rí àwọn gòdògòdò tó wà behind the sign àti tó mú àdá wọ́n fẹ́ lu Ìjẹ̀ṣà pa wọ́n lù bí kókó Ìjẹ̀ṣà tiẹ̀ rò bí wọ́n láwọn rò bí àwọn máa kú ni ìpè kọ́kàn lọ ju òkú nǹkan láwọn mọ àwọn máa dágbére pé bí báyìí làwọn ò dágbére fẹ́ni kankan because ó dàbí kọ́ rẹ̀ gbéyàn kéèyàn dẹ́ sáré lọ bọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi àtijọ́ kálọ́mọ̀ ni pé wọ́n ti dágbére tó ti yẹ yín wọ́n ti dágbére wọn ò dágbére wọn láwọn ti rò bí àwọn ìtò má dáadáa níwọ̀n àbẹ tó mú bọ̀ wọn dá níwọ̀n àbẹ wọ́n fẹ́ lù wọn pa wọ́n lù wọn bí ẹ̀wọ̀n ọkùnrin kan láàrin àwọn ọkùnrin gòdògòdò 10 èèyàn mélòó ló fẹ́ dámú bóyá nǹkan tí bá ti sọ ni kò máa sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò máa sọ pé má bínú ṣe kò máa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ìgbé kámẹ́rà sí wọn lójú ayé níkà o the same thing the same setup náà ni awo yíyan ṣe ní Ìdúmọ̀tà bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí olówó kan gbé jáde lórí Gistlover àwa bí tán ó wá gbé fìlà àgbà kò sórí báwo ló tẹ̀sí dé fìlà yẹn ṣé ó dá ẹjẹ́ fi tíṣù ṣe ó ṣàdé fìlà yẹn báyìí ó wá dé gíláàsì ṣé ó dágbére fún mi pé òun lọ sí Ìdúmọ̀tà ṣé mi mo ní pẹ̀lú sí Ìdúmọ̀tà wọ́n ti already àwọn ọmọ gúrùpù ẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ tó wà ní gúrùpù ẹ̀ àwọn ló mọ̀ pé Lizzy Anjorin máa wà rajà lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ tó wà ní gúrùpù ẹ̀ òun ló fi dífá fún pé mo sọ lórí ṣòmọ́ mi Olúṣọlá pé ó ní ìyá kan tó súnmọ́ mi lára àwọn service tí máa nídìí níjọ́ marriage mi ó yẹ kí n gbé fún ìyá yẹn lára àwọn tó yẹ kó supply mi ní nǹkan ó yẹ kí n gbé fún ìyá yẹn kí ìyá yẹn bá mi ṣe at least ó kéré kò kéré is business òun ló mọ game tó máa rí but torí pé information tẹ̀ mí lọ́wọ́ pé ìyá yìí òun like Lizzy Anjorin ó dẹ̀ like mi but ọmọ ẹ̀ èèyàn awo yíyan ni ẹ get ìyá yìí like Lizzy Anjorin ó like mi but ọmọ tí ìyá yẹn bí èèyàn awo yíyan ni débi pé wọ́n sọ pé ọmọ ìyá yẹn gan ojoojúmọ́ ló máa fi ń ṣe update gbogbo ìgbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìdúmọ̀tà ṣẹlẹ̀ ó máa fi ń ṣe update bóyá èyí mẹ́sàn nínú group now kí ló wá tí bá sọ pé kò kàn mí ṣe bí ìyá ló fẹ́ bá ní business tí bá gbé business fún ìyá ẹ mọ̀ ìyá ò lè fi kọ́ pamọ́ fọ́mọ kí àìrò bóyá ọmọ wọn tí ìwọ ẹgbẹ́ ìwèrè tó ń dá sílẹ̀ pọ́nmọ́ ti lọ wà nínú group wọn tí ìyá bá lọ bọ́mọ ẹ̀ gist àbí ọmọ rí pé ìyá ń ṣe kurukẹrẹ lórí contract mo gbé fún tó bá mi màmí talẹ̀ bá ń ṣe kó ní àzí màmá ní èmi màá ló gbé contract lè fún wedding ẹ̀ irú ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá lọ dálẹ̀ nínú group wọn ń kọ́ tí ìyá ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ ṣó ti yé torí ọmọ yẹn mi ò gbé contract yẹn fún ìyá ẹ̀ mo wá àwọn olólùfẹ́ mi tó dẹ̀ tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ yìí mẹ́sọ̀ àwọn ni mo gbéṣẹ́ fún irú ọmọ yẹn sìn ó ti gbàjẹ́ lẹ́nu ìyá ẹ̀ látọ̀dọ̀ tèmi sọ̀rọ̀ mi yé yín torí kò sẹ́ni tó bá wà nínú group àwọn èèyàn wọn kì í ró rere ròyàn wọn ò dẹ̀ ní gbèrò kó da fún èèyàn bó ṣe máa bá tèèyàn jẹ́. That is their logo, that is their motto, how to destroy life. Ṣé kò tí mo sọ yé yín? How to destroy life. Òun ló kọ́ wọn nínú group wọn, how to set people up, to destroy people, to bring people down. So ìwọ tó bá dẹ̀ ń ṣọ́ra, ó láti wà very very careful. Ó pè mí kí n gbé kàkà kí n gbé fún yàn tí mo mọ̀ rí tó mọ̀ mí rí, máa yẹ wulẹ̀ lọ gbé fẹ́ lómi tí wọ́n mọ̀ mí rí torí mi jẹ́ kẹ́ ṣàkóbá fún mi. Do you know a lot of vacancies sílẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yìí mẹ́sọ̀ tó ń wọ ọmọ iṣẹ́ tó lè bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́, but due to ọkọ̀ tó wà lórí social media wọn ò lè gba yan mọ́. Ó pè yìí mẹ́sọ̀ kọ́ lọ gba Haúsá tí ò tiẹ̀ gbọ́n kankan tí ò lo Andori tó máa bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́. Ó pè wọ́n kọ́ lọ gba ìlú ìmí tó yẹ pé kò lo Andori débi kó fẹ́ wà nínú group àbó fẹ́ wà nínú social media. Ẹ wo bí tí àwọn èèyàn destroy life àwọn èèyàn dé. Ó dẹ̀ wá lo ẹ̀yin èèyàn yẹn lórí social media kẹ́ lọ máa destroy èèyàn just for our own children to be collecting ambassador and contract. Ayé àwọn ọmọ tí yín dẹ̀ ń bàjẹ́ ọ̀nà tó yẹ káwọn ọmọ yín fi máa gba endorsement káwọn ọmọ yín náà máa gbaṣẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ti dí. Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí ti Anjorin nìkan ló ń sá láti máa gbà yan mọ́. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín tẹ́ máa ń upload pé I am graduate, I'm looking for job. Kò sẹ́ni tó lè gbà yín mọ́ online. People are scared down. Mo ti ní èèyàn bíi mẹ́ta from diaspora tó ní company ní Nàìjíríà tó ń wá àwọn èèyàn tó máa gbà. Ìsà wọ́n ní sí ìṣó léèyàn láti léyìn because oníkálukú wá ń wọ èèyàn tó ní irun sìn. They are scared. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ destroy ara yín. Àwọn èèyàn fi yín destroy ara yín láti build àwọn generation tiẹ̀. Orí yín ò pé ta ló fẹ́ pè yín síṣẹ́ mọ́. People are scared of you guys. They are afraid of you now. Àwọn ẹni rẹ̀, àwọn ẹni bí. Àwọn ẹni rẹ̀, àwọn ẹni bí. Èèyàn mélòó ló fẹ́ lọ wá nu family mi tó fẹ́ employ síṣẹ́. Kàn lè gbé vacancy sórí social media sí pé tabalẹ̀ tó lè ṣiṣẹ́ yo this is àwọn tó fẹ́ máa fún ẹ lóṣù tó dẹ̀ máa wà òkè fún ìta you start from there at least ẹni tó bá ríṣẹ́ 150,000 lóṣù ta gbé vacancy sí pé iṣẹ́ báyìí wà 150,000 ayé wọ́ṣẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ gbà yín mọ́. People are scared, they are afraid. Kẹ́ bá lọ máa record wọn gbé sínú group àwọn èèyàn kẹ́ lọ máa fi máa bully wọn lórí TikTok. A lot of graduates ló wá di useless gbogbo wọn wá di content creator. Now imagine tó bá gbé content tó bá gbé monetization kúrò lórí social media, how do you want to survive? Àwọn èèyàn have destroyed you guys níbi tẹ́tí ń pati tara yín tẹ́tí ń patara yín jẹ́. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀dẹ̀ life ọmọ tí ò bá jẹ́ o ẹ̀yin bá yára yín jẹ́ every promote life àwọn èèyàn ojoojúmọ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn máa ṣe máa gba ambassador because the more you shout away your daughter's name, the more you shout away your in-laws name, the more they will be receiving ambassador, but your own life has been destroyed because nobody want to patronize you because nobody trusts you. Get that fact into your dumb skull and get that right. Tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ máa tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ vacancy we are looking for workers kò sẹ́ni tó ń ṣe mọ́ lórí social media. Nobody is doing it on social media. You are destroying yourself. Doing evil. You are destroying yourself. Because katomo, hello my baby, just over come here. Just to be destroying people. Seriously, eti ba yara yin je. Ní Nàìjíríà yẹn, ẹ wo àwọn ará ìlú Ìgbò báyìí, àwọn ọmọ ìlú Ìgbò báyìí àwọn Ìgbò kọ́ lẹ̀ ń blog. Àwọn Ìgbò kọ́ láwọn yín ní kẹ́ lọ máa bá yé wọn jẹ́ ẹ̀yin lẹ bá yara yin jẹ́ Nàìjíríà kò sẹ́ tó máa gbéṣẹ́ fún yín mọ́. Kò sẹ́ tó máa gbé àfẹ́ tó bá sí lórí social media nìkan ni ò ní gbéṣẹ́ fún yín. Àwọn èèyàn wà wọ́n bẹ̀rù sìn ni. Kò sẹ́ tó fẹ́ patronize. They are scared, they are afraid. They are afraid. But unfortunately, nǹkan táwọn ọmọ awóyin wọn ṣe tó ń fi destroy àwọn èèyàn, ó ti affect ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń ṣe dáadáa náà. Do you know many people that call me pé mo ń wá workers? They are scared. Tí bá ní ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé sórí page mi àwọn ará wọn ní níbo. Mi ò lè gba àwọn èèyàn o. Mi ò lè gba àwọn ará social media mọ́ o. Social media táwọn èèyàn fi ń wáṣẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀. Àṣebí connection ni. Ẹ máa sọ pé connection lórí Nàìjíríà. Ẹ bá rà àwọn tó fẹ́ connect yín, ẹrú máa bà wọ́n láti gbà yín síṣẹ́. Nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe yóò destroy yín. Àgbà yín sọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀ gbọ́. Ẹ ń destroy ayé ara yín, ẹ ń promote ọmọ owó yíyan. You are the one destroying yourself. Àwọn yíyan, nothing can happen to her because after you destroy yourself finish, you will be elevating your own children. Kí èèyàn tó nílé iṣẹ́ ńlẹ̀ Yorùbá ń sìn kó máa sọ pé òun lè gba Yorùbá mọ́ due to what is going on in social media kọ́ṣẹ́ lọ máa wá Hausa. Nǹkan ti bàjẹ́. Èmi ò lè parí project mi náà sí kí àwọn èèyàn wá bá mi pé mi ò lè gbà wọ́n. Hausa náà wọ́n ti fojú mi mọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn Hausa báyìí. Àwọn Hausa tí wọ́n sí lórí social media. Because gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá lọ ti kó sínú group torí 5k urgent 5k. Wọ́n ti kó gbogbo wọn sínú group wọn lọ máa destroy àwọn tó gánú ayé. Wọ́n ti kọ́ wọn bó ṣe lọ ń destroy yẹn lọ mú information yẹn wá yẹn lọ record wọn wá lọ ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ wá. Nǹkan ti bá yín o ọdún nǹkan bá yín o. Tẹ́ bá mú àwọn ọ̀fà iṣẹ́ tí mo máa ń rí ìgbà mi mo lè rí ọ̀fà iṣẹ́ mi pé ṣé mo lè rí sí ìṣó ní èèyàn tó lè ṣiṣẹ́ báyìí 200,000 lóṣù ṣó ní èèyàn tó lè ṣiṣẹ́ báyìí kíní kan tó lóṣù kíní kan pẹ̀lú certificate. Now ẹ̀yin tẹ́ nílùú certificate yẹn pọ̀ tẹ́ ń wáṣẹ́ tẹ́ jẹ́ graduate a lè post yẹ. Wọ́n ní do you have from your family? Èmi ò ní family mi o. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ tí wọ́n ń follow wa àbí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí social media tẹ́ like page wa àwọn èèyàn ti kọ́ yín ní trade. Ẹ̀yin fojoojúmọ́ ayé kiri àwọn ọmọ tiẹ̀ promote àwọn ọmọ tiẹ̀ ẹ̀yin dẹ̀ wà lójú kan. ìjọ wo làwọn èèyàn ti sọ pé vacancy iṣẹ́ kan rèé o ẹ wá lọ ṣe o ẹ̀yin followers mi o mo ní àwọn company kan tó ní ìdáhùn òṣìṣẹ́ o ìjọ wo làwọn èèyàn ti ṣe fún yín ìjọ wo làwọn èèyàn ti ṣe fún yín wọn ò lè ṣe fún yín kò lè ṣe fún yín wọ́n tó ń lu ẹ̀yin kẹ́yìn máa promote ọmọ ẹ̀ gbogbo gbà ọmọ ẹ̀ máa ṣe any video tí ò ní mí ní ọmọ ní kẹ́ bá wọn promote ẹ̀ so that more company will be bringing ambassador to her daughter more company will be bringing ambassador to her son more company will be bringing ambassador to her in-law more company will be bringing ambassador to her own grandchild but you guys ìjọ ò lọ́ máa fẹ́ yín ambassador because they have destroyed you wake up from your slump kò tí ì pẹ́ jù láti ṣàtúnṣe ẹ fàwọn èèyàn sílẹ̀ pẹ̀lú kádàrá ẹ̀ she and her children should go and face the evil fruits they planted. Because you see many graduates roaming on social media without tangible job, without good income. Now we are scared to connect them. We are scared. Only iṣẹ́ kan tó ṣìṣì dẹ̀ báyìí fún yàn báyìí tó yẹ pé ó máa gba good. We don't know who to connect. We don't know. Ọ̀gá o.
That you covered it. But to come to tell us in 2021 that you did not even notice. So now the truth of the matter is, in 2021, Princess wasn't presenting herself as a witness. That yes, 7 years ago, when the girl was 7, he did it. I took him to social hospital. He did it. She said she did not witness anything, but she acted on that to say Baba Ijesa it was fake, consensually. And I will still buttress that point for you now. Kékeré lẹ ṣe boy, ẹ máa farabalẹ̀, ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo ti sọ láti 2021, ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo ṣe sọ́ọ̀sì tí ó lè yí padà. Àwọn tó sponsor ẹ̀kọ́ ní kó sálọ, wíìsà. So, at the end of the day, it turns out that we're expecting the police to ask Princess. I said, if you continue to tell us that this girl was defiled under you, and as a parent you did not take notice, you didn't take her to hospital, you didn't know all this thing happened, you are not even a witness, and you could not even present a single witness. Nobody saw, nobody treated the girl, no hospital, no doctor to say, that's 7 years old. When the girl was 7 years old, I was the one that treated the girl for defilement.
Someone says, Z, you can put job opportunity on your platform with terror screening. Good people are still I want only job now people on social media. Alone. I want only job. One is Z. I want people on social media. Alone, they do marry. They just call me if I have people from like maybe my family or from my family and friends not on social media. Got us for me. Before I could deliver, kilo buy one people. I want to know in Buni. Iṣẹ́ mi tó kéré jù ní 150,000 per month. Ṣé kò dájú olóṣòlò? Èyí tó máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ 150,000 per month. Ṣé kò dá? Ṣé kò dá? Ọ́fíìsì ló máa tún wà. Ṣé kò dá? Náà wọ́n ti bà gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀. Mo sọ fún wọn, let me post. No, I cannot do it. Z, no. I don't want people on social media. Social media, the people on social media, their brain have been contaminated. I don't want anybody that will come and record my company. They will use it to threaten me, to be putting it on social. Okay, for example, now look at Yeye Mesho. Just because you know she have enemy on social media. Grant interview lọ́dọ̀ àwọn opponents wọn. You see life. They mo pé destroy. Àwọn èèyàn tó máa lọ máa patronize. Tẹ́ bá rí nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, ó yẹ kẹ́ máa nu àwọn èèyàn tó bá ń gbéṣẹ́ yẹn wá pé go away. Irú platform bẹ́ẹ̀ kò yẹ kẹ́ máa visit ẹ̀. So that ìwà bàjẹ́ á dínkù. But irọ́ ni gbogbo wọn fẹ́ lọ gbọ́ àṣírí Lizzy Anjorin. And you don't know a lot of people are learning from all those mistakes. Nísìn ó ti dé balẹ̀ tán sìn àti innocent nísìn everybody ló forí kó. Àti innocent àwọn Hausa tó yẹ pé wọ́n wá sí lórí social media ló ń jàǹfààní ẹ̀. Because wọ́n mọ̀ pé àjọ tó ti ń ṣorí burúkú yìí àwọn Hausa ò rẹ́fà ìganu sí rí Hausa ò rẹ́fà ìgbẹ́nu síbẹ̀ rí. Lè ra Hausa nínú gúrùpù ṣẹpẹtẹ rí. It's so unfortunate. Kó tó kàn dùn mí ni pé a lot of innocent people ló forí kó. Àwọn ọmọ tèmi ò níṣẹ́ tó fẹ́ wá ṣe Nàìjíríà kan fẹ́ wá ṣe. They are born here. My children were born in Europe. He belongs to school and they will still work here. And in Nigeria, ẹlòmíì ò ní opportunity to travel out. Ẹlòmíì ò ní opportunity to come and travel, but they have destroyed the future for your children. Oh, Nibo, she's married and she lives. Nibo, one fair, alone. Do you know the trial I have tried? Do you know the trial I have tried? I even vowed for another person for once. I want them fair. They said they don't want. A lot of things have been damaged with this social media, within the Yoruba community. In Yoruba, you were terrible. You have destroyed yourself. I want you to know what to say. Destroy ara yín. Ẹ ṣá máa promote ọmọ, kẹ́ máa opportunity and promote ọmọ. You think everybody come to say? ọmọ kan sọ pé ẹ ṣáà bá yàrá yín jẹ́ ẹ ṣáà máa fi yẹn promote ọmọ mi ẹ máa bá tara yín jẹ́ ẹ lọ bá mi máa bully ẹ lọ bá mi máa destroy yàn ẹ lọ bá mi máa gbé story àwọn èèyàn wá ẹ máa jọ́ kó máa dùn mọ́ yín but ẹ máa fi yẹn ẹ ǹjẹ́ rí ọmọ ẹ kó gbé story èèyàn wá rí ǹjẹ́ rí ọmọ títẹ̀ gbé ọmọ tiẹ̀ bá tiẹ̀ sápamọ́ sábẹ́ iṣó ẹ̀rọ ọmọ tiẹ̀ kó ṣàyà gbangba kó gbójú síta kó ṣe rí ẹ̀rọ ọmọ tiẹ̀ kó stage show gbogbo bàtà yẹn sọ pé Lizzy Anjorin ṣépè fọmọ ẹ̀rí kọ́ ọmọ tiẹ̀ gbójú síta kó ṣàyà gbangba kó ṣe show fún yẹ̀yẹ́ mẹ́sàn pé kí ló tó ń ṣépè fún mi kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí ni mo ẹ̀rí kó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ no ó mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin tẹ máa fi titi yín lẹ̀ sacrifice fọmọ òun ẹ máa lọ ṣe ẹ máa ṣe tẹ bá dẹ̀ ti ń ba tara yín jẹ́ ẹ máa bá wọn promote ọmọ tòun ẹ̀rí sì gbẹ̀yìn lè ba tara yín jẹ́ báyìí níbi tẹ ti rò bẹ́ẹ̀ ní destroy.
It was as empty and blank as anything. Even Princess herself was never a witness. She did not see anything. Nothing happened. But she planned the trap in 2021. Now, it is one or two criminal the princess. Police refused to charge him. Lagos State government refused to charge her. Rather, police refused to charge her. Lagos, they didn't trust on that. I went for that. Where is the evidence of this girl's age? No birth certificate, nothing was proven. And when the princess is even 14-year-old. And I can tell you for free, even the girl was writing different ages. It was Lagos State government, non-defended. They were trying to defend her, and I kept her. I was the only one facing the matter seriously. Again, so the entire media, they don't know what happened. They went blank on the truth.
They will not say it.
I was okay. Now let's go. An individual was arrested after sperm was found on this girl. But Tanon knew you got it over the way, and they asked the girl to confess. But I don't know Dominic is any. The girl confessed. Tell us those that have been sleeping with you. The girl mentioned everybody. Mentioned Obagisha. Only about Damola. But that can't kill the security level. Damola happens to the princess like a younger brother and a business partner.
Now. Oluomoyomi Fabi, eba mi tag him. If truly you love Ijesa, if truly, not only Yomi Fabi, if truly you guys living in Nigeria, you want justice for Ijesa, it's high time you guys act now. At Ijesa Franamon, if truly Ijesa really wants justice for himself, Sherry Ogba tí àǹtí Bukky Jesse tó fi gba ohun ìyá Mohbad lẹ̀ tó ṣe wá play ọgbọ́n yẹn náà ní kẹ́ wá bẹ ṣe máa wá Dàmọ́lá yẹn lọ bí iṣu ṣe pa bọ́ọ̀bẹ ṣe kún ẹ máa gbóhùn ẹ̀ lẹ̀ ọgbọ́n yẹn náà lẹ ṣe máa wá Òkèlè yẹn lọ bí iṣu ṣe pa bọ́ọ̀bẹ ṣe kún pẹ̀lú ọmọ yẹn ẹ máa gbóhùn ẹ̀ lẹ̀ ọgbọ́n yẹn lẹ ṣe máa wá ọmọ yẹn gangan fúnra ara ẹ lọ àti ìyá ẹ bí iṣu ṣe pa bọ́ọ̀bẹ ṣe kú ẹ lọ gbóhùn wọn lẹ̀ àbí kẹ́ ṣe fídíò fún un kẹ́ wá play ẹ̀. If truly you are looking for justice for Baba Ijesa. Because ìgbà tí VDM tó fẹ́ fọ Naira Marley mọ́ tó ń wá justice fún Naira Marley torí pé wọ́n parọ́ mọ́ kò bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan kan sọ ó go deeper ó lọ ṣe interview fún gbogbo àwọn tó wà nínú ilé yẹn bí iṣu ṣe pa bọ́ọ̀bẹ ṣe kún gbogbo ẹ̀ ló gbé wá inú interview yẹn ló ti fún àwọn ará ìlú ní green light pé Naira Marley ò sí inú ilé ńjọ́ yẹn tó kú òun lórí ṣe kó Naira Marley yọ so see everybody at Ijesa himself and Ijesa family and Ijesa fans àwọn mẹ́ta yìí Dàmọ́lá Òkèlè ọmọ àbí ìyá ọmọ fúnra rẹ̀ bí iṣu ṣe pa bọ́ọ̀bẹ ṣe kún ẹ lọ ṣe investigation yín ẹ lọ bóyá pé video recording lẹ máa ṣe o àbí voice recording lẹ máa ṣe o ẹ wá bẹ ṣe máa ṣe owó ló máa jẹ kò ní jàgbàdo torí owó ni very dark man náà ná tó fi débi tó dé yẹn ẹ lọ record àwọn people yẹn ẹ gbé wá fọmọ aráyé kán wá fẹnu ara wọn sọ irú Dàmọ́lá yẹn sì tó ti ń dún ọmọ tipẹ́ kó wá fẹnu ara ẹ̀ sọ kí ló dé tí wọ́n fi gbóhùn lọ court kí ló dé tó fi die down kí ló tó fi jẹ́ kó sálọ kó wá fẹnu ara ẹ̀ sọ ó ṣe yẹ kó rí mi.
Òkèlè tó jẹ́ security wọn she knew those ones even the moment why they were those people were the ones having sex with her and sexually abusing her since 2020. They asked the girl, police asked the girl, did your mother, your foster mother, princess, is she aware that Damola Adekola is sexually abusing you? She said she reported to her in 2020. You know this terrible, disgusting, wicked princess? She left Damola Adekola, her neighbor, they live in the same house, and have been sexually abusing the girl. She is not interested in justice. She knew since 2020. And at the end of the day, in that one, the 2021 April, she now wanted to set Baba Ijesa up. You slept with almost 7 years ago.
Orí pọ́ mọ̀ pé tó bá arrest irú Dàmọ́lá Adékọ́lá yẹn kò ní go viral. Kò dẹ̀ ní wà nínú news débi pọ́n fẹ́ fi lọ fi jẹ adóró ní UK. Ijesa is a public figure. So tó bá ti gbá orúkọ Ijesa sórí YouTube, Google, Facebook, ó tètè máa show ẹ̀ fún wọn ní United Kingdom asylum home office asylum house wọ́n pé tòótọ́ ni story ẹ̀ legit òun náà ṣe lo Ijesa as a bait.
Ogba Ewon, which is a criminal offense to come and act movie. They all went silent. Àti Princess ni o, àti Iyabo ni o, àti Toun ni o, àti gbogbo àwọn obìnrin onídọ̀tí gbogbo wọn yẹn. They went silent by asking the government and the police to prosecute that Damola Adekola that he was arrested. He was in the same cell. And the guy had already been threatening that if they take him to court, the girlfriend don't go and quote me again. That Damola Adekola wrote in his statement that the girlfriend don't get the princess if he said provide the shower. And he was ready to present evidence. We get any UBA account.
Yes, in boss, only get any UBA account. Girlfriend, some can create any UBA account in Nigeria. So, as a quote for justice of it for Ijesa. Èmi ti ṣe ìtagbára mi tọ́lọ́run rán mi. Àti lo voice wa, àdè ṣì dúró ẹsẹ̀ òró wa. But ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní àrọ́wọ́tó ibi tí Dàmọ́lá ń gbé Òkèlè ni o, àti Bíkẹ́ ọmọ yẹn ń gbé àti ìyá ẹ̀. Owó ló máa jẹ. Kí VDM tó lè wọnú WhatsApp group àwọn ìyá ayé ó léye tó san. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ gbọ́ ohùn lẹ́nu Dàmọ́lá owó ló máa jẹ. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ gbọ́ ohùn lẹ́nu Òkèlè owó iná ní nǹkan. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ wá gba ohùn ọmọ àti ìyá ẹ̀ náà fúnra rẹ̀ bó ṣe pa bó ṣe kú owó ló máa jẹ. Ìyẹn nìkan ló lè ná kí Kasongo yeye tó ń sunkún London pé kó sá fún Ijesa. Voice àwọn people yẹn evidence tó lè ná kí Kasongo yeye Mohbad Naga. Kasongo wenawe o yeba ni yama o yeye. Tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ gba voice Dàmọ́lá wá voice àwọn tó ṣì gbé Ijesa ní video file máa pè ní video file o.
I knew already those evidence were there. Police knew. And police were ready to remove their hand. They wanted to grab Baba Ijesa bail. Nítorí ìtìjú, Kayema was surprised. As at that time, I was just doing my human rights stuff. And the police were like, we can't continue to do this. You are just bringing powerful people here. This one is coming. Iyabo is shouting. People are calling. We know the truth here. The only advantage is that you set him up. And you are saying the girl is 14. And then the CPO was like, you know what? We now know what is happening. You guys had issues between yourself. We don't want this nonsense in our stuff. We will grant Baba Ijesa bail. As at that time, I was filming. I was only campaigning about human rights. You know the thing Princess did? What should be commissioner of police advised me? All this nonsense that you are. I've spoken to this guy now. Look at this Damola. And I'll play. I'll play it for you. I'll play it for you. You will hear the commissioner of police report there. Press release. I will take you guys up to speed. You saw a live at Ijesa. Police now said they were going to be granting Baba Ijesa bail. And then the next thing, Princess is back with it's Juma Lily. I finish Baba Ijesa. What do I do? Somebody now advised them that they should go and protest against the police. That was when they went in front of party and they were doing a show of shame that they are the constitution. That if the police grant Baba Ijesa bail, they will take his life in front of that place. I got furious and I said, not on your life. Even the police said I should not come and do a counter protest. When he was sorry, go. As a human rights organization, I put up a campaign. One of the tenets and fundamental human rights is the right to bail. As at that time, I am not saying that Baba Ijesa should not be prosecuted. If anybody abuses children, pay for it if you commit a crime against a child. Yeah. But you cannot deny his fundamental right to bail. Especially when this is an organized crime. Especially when the police, they've done their tests. They realize that it was a total lie. Nothing happened 7 years. Oh, Bama cost 7 years. Maybe 6 months before Baba Ijesa was arrested. But Princess lied to the entire nation that it was 7 years ago when the girl was 7-year-old. A defilement that under the law, our inability to even say I am a witness. For 7 years old, 7 years old, she never said I am a witness. I asked the girl, who did this to you? She was a dummy, she didn't mention a name. But this is the hospital I took her to. They would have gotten the doctor of the hospital as a witness. But she was presenting an incident that carries life imprisonment without a single evidence, a single witness, or anything. If we don't stand up, I'm a baggy by dead. I'm not humanity any share. Now, I want to play the Commissioner of Police press release that time. I want you guys to hear. He will confirm the other guy that was arrested with Baba Ijesa. Princess, Iyabo, Tom, they did not want you people to know that there is another guy that was arrested. Thomas Palmer, to just confirm the girlfriend. They didn't want you all to know because if that guy is pronounced, Thomas prosecuted, but not Baba Ijesa. The guy does not want to go to jail because only one evidence over 14 years old. If truly the girl was 14. So if the guy is able to convince the court that the girl, Professor Baba Ijesa, she's 14, she's a young adult, almost 19-year-old, Baba Ijesa anybody who comes to join. Because they destroyed my life with fake lies. So they are making him look like a pedophile, whereas they put up a young adult that was having sex to set him up. Now, come on, listen, Commissioner of Police in there.
This is the meet of no,
So, in terms of salary, you were thinking...
I was hoping you would tell me what you were thinking.
Oh, I insist, please.
I insist.
I insist.
I insist.
Please. Within these, set salary expectations from the start and skip the awkward chat.
Now, I just play part 2. I just play part 2 for you. Tori ogun Kasongo ye. Part 2 lele.
Let me play direct for you guys.
Don't do trial on pages of newspaper.
Can you guys hear this?
There are 2 cases.
Shelly, go back. Shelly, let me know if you guys can hear. Can you guys hear? Okay, I'm starting from beginning. I thought the speaker is going to pick it up. Now, listen carefully.
We're talking about Baba Ijesa case. You know, you don't do trial on pages of newspaper. Baba Ijesa case, there are 2 cases. One, it was alleged 7 years ago. To identify a girl when she was 7 years ago. The girl is now 14 years. As at that time, no complaint was made. Nothing was. Then last week, a video went viral where he was arrested having sexual assault. Whatever indecent assault. When a man touches a woman where he's not supposed to without authority and consent, it now becomes a sexual assault. So exactly what? Yeah. Sexual assault. To which he admitted that he actually assaulted. So not that really assault in the assault of criminal aspect. That when he slaps somebody, when he does somebody like assault, but this one now is a sexual one because the girl was told where and without her consent. So the case of the parliament is being added to it. Still under investigation, and we need some scientific ones to be. Sexual assault is a billable offense.
Billable offense.
For God's sake. It's a billable offense. It's not like rape. No allegation of rape was made against him.
No allegation of rape.
But yesterday they are all with me. Interviewed all of them, one after the other, including the girl that was allegedly assaulted, including the mother of the girl, including Baba Ijesa himself,
and
including the other person that was alleged.
Including what? The other person that was alleged. Can you check what I have in Wipada? Again, Wipada can go.
So, including the other person that was alleged. Everybody.
Again, Wipada can go.
The girl. But yesterday they are all with me. Interviewed all of them, one after the other, including the girl that was allegedly assaulted, including the mother of the girl, including Baba Ijesa himself, including the other person that was alleged. Everybody for 3 hours. Including
the other person that was alleged. Now, ask yourself in your conscience, how many of you know, or how many of you hear directly from Princess, from Iyabo, from Tom, that there was another person that was alleged? In the same case, same victim, same investigation. The question is, kilo your way, and I'm telling you on my honor, that was the guy who caused a statement that this babe in question, this girl in question, girlfriend only, so possible, 14-year-old and the girlfriend. That the question now is this. If it is the problem, we need to be conscious of what we use our police cells, what we use our prison to do. Because when they take such decision behind you, in your name, in your blood, in your destiny, the consequence will come to all of us, including the innocent people. Now, when the CP told all of them, this is what has happened. Look at it. The CP did not go further to say test was run, sperm was found on the girl, and her virginity was just recently taken. But you, Princess, said because Baba Ijesa took her virginity when she was 7 years ago, that was why you set him up. Now, clearly, the reason for setting Baba Ijesa up is fake, is for wickedness. àlàyé tèmi ṣe fún ìyàbọ̀ ńgbà yẹn nìyẹn pé farabalẹ̀ kí ló ń ṣe tó ṣe balabala. I don't support it. I have fought for children more than all of you combined in the industry here. I have fought for children, for women, more than all of you combined. When I saw a genuine case, not because of Ijesa was around, I just felt like I have the knowledge of fighting for human rights. I am not going to be looking for social media. I believe in my conscience. My conscience is my policeman. You would have expected a honest mother. Princess. I'm a 14-year-old. 7 years ago. After Ijesa was arrested, they finished using the girl. Even as we speak now, they don't care about the girl. None of them care about the girl. Now, when the commissioner of police now advised them that some of these things is looking like the skull of a woman, we understand you women can be very bitter. Whatever this woman have done, we are not absolving him. We only grant him bail based on the fact that the evidence before us is just the sexual assault. And it happened when you claim the girl is 14, which she's no longer a child. Age category of children is 1 to 12 years. When you start to become 13, 14, you are a teenager, you are a minor. So if it is the current event, to set it up, say a video evidence for his sexual assault. He kissed the girl's hand, touched the girl was with him. It's sexual assault. So for that, we're going to be granting a bill. By the time they finish the investigation, then we'll come back to it. And lo and behold, they felt like, no, we're not going to be accepting this. Maybe somebody advised them to go and protest in front of Panty against the police. So when I saw that they went to protest against the police, I look at it like, the commissioner of police is just there to handle that position. That commissioner of police belongs to the public. If the police are doing the right job, and you are coming to rubbish them this way, and you call the constitution, I did my banner, I did everything, and I said, I'm going to be challenging this. It's not on your life. This nonsense cannot hold. So as at that time, they are already determined that it will never see the light of the day again. And a government will still protect them. Some people will still protect them because they are women. And I'm like, this man has no right to sexual feelings. You can't do this nonsense. You know what I'm saying? And you can't suffer rape with that. And you can't suffer people that abuse of children with that. But I would not be closing my mouth when I realize that you are trying to weaponize it. And when you get adults, young adults, fine. Commonsensically, if she's just 19, but she's an adult. You're not wiser than God that makes some women to start menstruating and say, I am preparing you to become a mother. Even when before they get to 18, and God alone. But we have to follow the law. Now, when they put about this, not any of the media house, including this woman in this your view, they refuse to mention the other guy, which if his own situation was established truly in that case, they will be paying millions to Ijesa. Because that guy, he ain't going to want any evidence about 14-year-old son, which is punishable with life imprisonment. And that guy, while he was in prison, said, I know they never did it. Because the guy was confirming that when you talk about proof adults, she's a young adult. And lo and behold, we're waiting that, okay, we fought for Ijesa's bail. By the time they want to charge the case to court, do you know what happened, Nigerians? They've paid or whatever they did. Lagos State government refused to charge him along with Ijesa. Money turning Ijesa share. There was nobody in our industry to listen to me. I can only speak to the legal community. Our lawyers want to do me. And to God be the glory. Maximum respect to the senior advocates that showed up. Bangonera, Toffee appeared in the first court case. And the other 19 lawyers that came out on pro bono, Mr. Yomi, will stand by you. I have to keep going from one court to another. Don't tell the case again. He does not know that once you for any baby. And I'm not talking about because it don't like baby.
Precious gold. I have not blocked you.
I'm going to show how Peter could do it. So everyone fully psychological freedom. To what I realize that I know she's working. To what I case I was going to go level down. He doesn't know what was going. So, what am I going? I was expecting that. Baba is not worried now. And it's evidence what we watch film. They should prove to us that this girl is actually 14. And then, since you never have sex with this girl in your life, and you are so sure, even at no sex with that girl, sex, no problem. We're expecting that they will bring Damola Adekola. And even by extension, then the police will now ask Princess, how come in 2020, a year before you set Baba Gisha up, this your daughter told you that Damola Adekola, who is your neighbor, have been sexually abusing her. You did not report to police. Security of your house, Okele, you did not report. In 2021, with the girl still living in the same house with them, we shall set Baba Gisha up with the same people, make it make sense. She had your crime with you. Oh, what she film. What set the camera around doing? But now, police, I'm expecting Lagos State government, the same law. So what if you charge Baba Gisha, Lagos State fellow? But the same law, no, those of parental negligence is a serious criminal offense. But the same law found against grooming a child or a minor for sexual activity. It is evident. If a princess in Baba Gisha, don't worry you, release your body, don't worry, let him touch you, even if it is 30 seconds, let him sexually abuse you. We have a recording, don't worry. Doing that to any child or a minor is punishable with life imprisonment. But the second one, that is very evident, that I'm trusting Lagos State government that they will do justice to it, is that it was in that morning, Princess claimed, she installed CCTV. After she invited Baba Gisha, to claim that he is a potential predator. So you knew this person will come and tear the vagina of your daughter. You invited it down to where your daughter is. You now went to set camera so that you can record how your daughter will be sexually abused. Because there is no way you will tell Baba Gisha, I'm going to be recording you. Don't be violent to rape her with love. There is no way you will tell if truly he was a rapist. Because you already left them together in 100% privacy. And I said, under the law, the same law, under the Child Baba Gisha, under the Child Act Protection Law, what Princess did is child pornography. Recording sexual activity. If Princess stormed into them, Princess is coming to them suddenly, having sex, and quickly record to keep the evidence, it's a different ballgame. If the camera was in a living room previously, and it captures them naturally, it was not her intention. There was no way she passed. Deliberately did that. But this one, it was that money based on the invitation she gave to Baba Gisha. This is what's rubbish that one on social media. This is a planned work, set up, organized crime. And I said, prerequisite for this kind of action, it's too horrible, it's too herald. It has no propensity in law. You don't lure people to come and commit crime. To send anybody to consider for life, you have the power to lure people. And I said, for that girl to submit her body, you want her to suffer PTSD to gather evidence. When you could come and show Nigeria. The debt we owe every child is protection. If you know that a child will be abused physically, mentally, or sexually, you are duty bound as any adults to protect that child. How will a mother, even animals, I said, even animals, they won't do this to their children. Animals. Now, a mother, but because this lady could be worried, and this disgusting set of women were encouraging her to say that should be obtainable in Lagos State. But you know, my mother is a Lagosian. I can't fold my house. I can't fold my house. You now say,
I married Lagosian
because that girl relied on Princess for food, for shelter, and for care.
Ikorodu is Lagos State now. I don't know. She be not married Lagosian. Ikorodu is not Lagos State. Is Ikorodu Lagos State or Ogun State?
Lagosian loko tèmi náà. Yawa.
If you are protecting Lagos State, so I marry Lagos State. So anyway, I marry from the state. Is Ikorodu Lagos State? My future husband is from Ikorodu. My baby father is from Ikorodu.
Your future husband, okay? Ọ̀rẹ́ ò yé mi mọ́, Ozi mama.
I know what is this. I cannot understand your comment.
Future husband.
Ikorodu Lagos State or not Lagos State? So kò sẹ́ni tó lè lé wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Mo fẹ́ ọmọ Ikorodu, mo bímọ sí Ikorodu.
Àwa ò lè sá lọ fẹ́ ní kankan nílẹ̀ yìí o.
Sexually abused because you knew in your mind that if truly Baba Gisha is who he is, you want that thing must happen before you can say, I caught you. I said, woe to you, you will pay for this crime. That's alone. Recording how a child is being accessed. I said, even the recording alone is child pornography. I said, most of these young people on social media, They don't understand the law.
Mọ́mì ní ṣó lè sá lọ́gún ẹnìkan. Yorùbá mọ́mí Olúṣọlá òye mi o. Wọ́n ní Lagos State ní Ìkòròdú. Àwọn kan ní Ìjẹ̀bú ni. Mi ní Ìkòròdú ò ń ṣe Ìjẹ̀bú. Is Ìkòròdú Lagos State or Ogun State? Okay, I think Ìkòròdú is Ondo. Káyọ̀dé Ṣìtà ẹ̀yin ọmọ kan tẹ̀yìn sọ́mi olùgbé ọmọ Nàìjíríà lẹ́yìn. Oníṣẹ́ àdó kí mi yẹ. Ẹ̀yin kan lè halẹ̀ mọ́ Alẹ́kọ̀ọ́ náà. Same bá tẹ̀jọ́ ọmọ Ogun State. At least my future husband is from Lagos State. My future husband. my legally husband is from Lagos State. And I have beautiful children for Lagos State indigene. Ikorodu is Lagos State. Ṣé fẹ́ lé wa kúrò ní state wa ni? Ẹ má bà Èkó jẹ́ fún wa, ẹ̀yin ọmọ àtọ̀hún rìn wá. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ àtọ̀hún rìn wá lẹ́ẹ̀bẹ̀ kò jẹ́. Ẹ fọkọ ilé má fẹ́ kó lẹ̀. Ẹ má fẹ́ kó lẹ̀ fáwọn ọmọ Èkó. Táwọn bá wá láti Èkó, a fẹ́ ọmọ Èkó. As a indigene of Lagos State, ibi tí a bá dẹ̀ fọkọ síbẹ̀ ló máa ń claim. Ẹ̀yin lọ fẹ́ wọn nílùú Cambodia, Tambololodi. Ẹ lọ claim ibẹ̀. Ẹ fi wálé ẹ̀fà ọmọ Èkó lẹ̀ má bẹ̀ kó jẹ́ fún wa kẹ́ má bàa sáré ẹ̀ ládírẹ́sì lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Aládírẹ́sì lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ọkọ mi ládírẹ́sì lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Family house ọkọ mi Èkó ni. Èkó ni. Àbí mo fẹ́ kọ́ ẹ má bẹ̀ kó jẹ́ fún wa. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ burúkú ọmọ ọ̀rọ̀ kìnnà tẹ́ ẹ bẹ̀ kó jẹ́. Àwa ìdíjì Èkó, àwa ta fẹ́ Èkó, àbẹ̀ Èkó jẹ́, àwa lálẹ́ kó àrùn yàn lẹ́wọ̀n. Ẹ̀yin dájọ́ ọmọ àlè tẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ̀ bí tí bàbá yín ti wá. Ẹ̀yin sọ pé bàbá yín wá láti Benin, ìyá yín wá láti Ẹ̀dó, bàbá yín wá láti Kàlàbá, ìyá yín wá láti Wèrè, ìlú àwọn oṣù, ará ọ̀run, gbogbo ẹ̀ ti claim tọ́yìn nìkan Nàìjíríà. Ìgbà tó ọmọ yín dẹ̀ tó fẹ́ fọkọ, níṣẹ́ lọ ṣu sí iwájú tó ti ń gé orí àwọn èèyàn tó bá ti jó sórin. Níbi tó ti ń dájọ́ ikú fún àwọn èèyàn tó bá ti jó sí orin tó ní ìdánilẹ́jì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ sí lọ́kọ, ẹ jẹ́ gbálé ọkọ yín lọ, ẹ fi wálé lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ìgbà tẹ́ ti bẹ̀ kó jẹ́ ẹ̀fọ́kọ́ ń bẹ̀. Ẹ lọ fọkọ níbi tó ti ń bẹ́ orí wọn tó ti ń dájọ́ ikú fún wọn. Ẹ lọ rùn ọ̀gá mú ṣòro, wọ́n ń dájọ́ ikú fún wọn. Ẹjọ́ ikú lọ mi ò gbọ́rú ẹ̀rí pé kéèyàn jó sórí ẹgbẹ́ ìjọ ikú lọ́mọ náà. Kí ló dé ẹjẹ́ àjí Nàìjíríà wa mú?
Wàláì, wọ́n lè má jẹ́ àṣírí.
Ṣé ìlú dream future husband táwọn kan wọkọ̀ nìyẹn? Tó ti ń gé wọn lórí.
Wọ́n ti gé wọn lórí lọ, mi ò rí irú ẹ̀rí. Léṣù ìjó sórin.
Ẹjọ́ ikú mà ló ń dá fún ọ níbi tó ti lọ lọ́kọ̀. Ẹ ṣàkíyèsí.
Ìyábọ̀ tó ń jí mi wò látàrọ.
Èkó tó fi dájọ́ ikú fún wọn tó yẹ pé pẹ̀lẹ́ òun náà ń ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bẹ̀ kó jẹ́. Ẹ má bẹ̀ kó jẹ́ fún wa. Kòròdú lọkọ mi. Mo bímọ fún Kòròdú. Èkó làwọn ọmọ mi. Mídẹ̀ Èkó. Èkó wẹ̀ǹjẹ̀lẹ̀. Mídẹ̀ Èkó. Mí kẹ̀dẹ̀kẹ̀dẹ̀. Ìkẹ̀dẹ̀ríà. Ìkẹ̀dẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀ la bímọ fún Èkó dùn. Ọkọ Èkó dùn. Ẹ̀ dẹ̀ bá ti fọmọ Èkó ẹ̀ ti fọkọ. Báwo ọmọ Èkó ṣe máa ń sẹ̀sì yàtọ̀ sáwọn ọmọ ìlú ìmí ẹ má bẹ̀ kó jẹ́ ẹgbàdún tàǹtà tuntun tàǹbó ló lọ ẹ fi wálẹ̀. Wọ́n lò sọ́n fẹ́ bẹ̀ kó jẹ́ fún wa.
Wọ́n fẹ́ bàlú jẹ́. Àwa ò lè sá lọ fẹ́ ní kankan nílẹ̀ yìí o.
Ẹnu náà mi ò gbọ́ rí ṣá. Ìlú pé kéèyàn kàn jó sórin. Wọ́n dẹ̀ nìkan lọ bẹ́ wọn ló. Ẹjọ́ president wa Nàìjíríà.
Á ti pa gbogbo ìlú. Á ti pa gbogbo ìlú.
Yeye bàbá ọmọ àríkọ lọ pa wọn wo ìwọ tó bá lọ fẹ́ wọn nílùú òṣì kan torí pé ó fẹ́ ṣe pẹpẹ dẹm tó ti rí tribulation tó kọlù wọn padà gbẹ̀yìn sílé ìyá wọn ní. Davido àti Ṣọmọ àgbàdo ti fọkọ Amẹ́ríkà lọ́dún àwà tó ń gbádùn ayé wọn kò sẹ́ tó pìtìpìtì ò lé wọn wá sí Nàìjíríà o tó bá lọ fẹ́ ìlú tí ò yẹ kó fẹ́ torí pé ó fẹ́ pẹ́pẹ́ àwọn ọ̀tá ẹ̀ ìwọ ló máa pẹ́pẹ́ àwọn látàntà o má kọjá ayé o.
And we cannot continue to allow Nigeria to be perpetually exploited because our people need to be mentally alerted and they don't know the right. You cannot do this to the states that we want it to get better. The government of Lagos State is doing everything it can to ensure that Lagos State is on the pedestal of one of the finest cities in the world. How can we exemplify that treatment of a child from the first time parent? Because you claim you're looking for evidence. Which evidence? Where are you going to take it to?
Terrorist jẹ́ olórí. Níbi tí terrorist ti jẹ president tó ti jẹ vice
Will be sent to her and she'll be charged.
Ọkọ tẹ̀lé alẹ́ mọ́ mi kí wọ́n wá sí kí wọ́n wá sí ká ṣọ́n lé ọkọ nídìí ọkọ yìí láì ṣe àwọn tó lọ fọkọ lánàá tó lé wọn kúrò ní ọkọ tó ẹ pé pìtìpìtì ló lé wọn kúrò ní ọkọ.
àṣírí vice president of Nigeria ó ti tútọ́ pátápátá.
Ìgbàkigbà tó bá wù mí máa dé sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bàgẹ̀bàgẹ̀ ìyàwó Èkó ni mí Èkó mo fẹ́ kó.
lórí ẹsẹ̀ wọn.
Pìtìpìtì ò lé wa pìtìpìtì ò lè lé wa kúrò nílé ọkọ.
ẹ fẹ́ kí Donald Trump kó wá sí
Lagos State ni wá tí bá fọ́ lọ sí registry mi Ìkòròdú registry ni mo lọ ìgbàgbé ibi ẹni mo ti lọ́kọ Ìkòròdú èmi ní báyìí lọ sí Ìkòròdú registry ni ma ti lọ gba registry mi ma gbọ́ court wedding mi tó Èkó ni mí Èkó indigene Èkó ni mo fẹ́ tó ti yẹ yín wèrè kọ́ ni wà á lẹ̀ mọ́ wa kó wá fẹ́ ru èkó dẹ́rù bà wá tó bá ṣe é ní àwọn àjùsí kómi èkó bá ru àwọn ọmọ àdé èkó náà kọ́ bá dá wà lálẹ́ sí wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ibi táwọn ti fọkàn bọ̀ wàhálà ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n dàbẹ̀rù ọjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ fi kó lẹ̀.
wípé wọ́n kó àwọn ọmọ iléèwé 25.
ti ṣe bébì kíkì kò kíkì o ó fẹ́ jẹ buffet gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ ní fún pé mo lóyún gbogbo oyún máa ń jẹ buffet fún mi lówó buffet
àwọn Nàìjíríà
fún mi lówó buffet tí màá lọ jẹ buffet nǹkan tí oyún fẹ́ jẹ
tí
nìyẹn.
wọ́n lọ láti lọ gbà wọ́n sílẹ̀.
ọlọ́dún ẹ̀sìn tí mo ti jẹ buffet o buffet wù mí jẹ mi dẹ̀ ló lọ.
fídíò wà lẹ́yìn fún lọ́kọ̀ ṣe post.
mi ìdá ló lọ́wọ́.
nítorí tí yóò bá post yẹ
give me money let me go and eat buffet tí yóò sinna ò bá fún mi lówó sinna máa gbé náà gẹ́gẹ́ mi èmi kàn ti wà pé mo nú òbí yóò sinna ṣe wá béèrè sí pé ṣé bébí nkíkì
gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n
lọ fún mi lówó buffet.
láti lè lọ rescue àwọn ọmọ 25 tí wọ́n kó ní 3 days ago gbogbo wọn ò fi ara lè padà. èyí tí òkúdè wá hospital ó wà ní gbèdé méjì ọ̀rọ̀ àtàyé ẹ tí wọ́n wọ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó tún wá ṣẹlẹ̀ láàárọ̀ òde yìí.
Do not count should be allowed to be. You can't allow children to be traumatized. How can you want a child to suffer PTSD because you want to gather evidence? No judge will ever give such order. No police officer must do it. Any police officer must do it. Any police station I'll protest in front of the station for this. Going to flames. That's one of the greatest crime you can do to humanity, to put children in that harm's way. But the sad reality is that all this...
ọ̀tọ̀lẹ́tọ̀ ni wọ́n rí ọ̀tọ̀lẹ́tọ̀ lọ jáde tó lọ sí asylum ẹjọ́ sáwọn lọ rí bù.
à ń sọ fún
sáwọn lọ fi
ọmọ
kọ́kọ́rọ́ jáde
àwọn
tó lọ sí
Nàìjíríà
asylum.
The new about
àti
this other
fọwọ́ sí
people.
orí òmùlé
Look at see, Dabola Adekola.
àwọn tẹ́rọ́rìsì ló ń kọ̀ntrólù wa.
Ọlọ́run ti mọ nǹkan tó máa dín ní ṣe fún
àwọn
lọ́mọ.
báńdíìtì ló di Nàìjíríà mú.
tí ìwọ ìbá bímọ láyé ni. lẹ́yìn kẹ́ káwọn èèyàn rí ọmọ ẹ̀kọ́ gbàgìrì lé torí èèyàn lè nínú burúkú bẹ́ẹ̀ kó fi bímọ ire. ẹ wá àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀rí kan tó múná bí torí pé àwọn èèyàn burú ọmọ náà bá wá fídíò tó máa fi panira má dìjẹ́ ọmọ náà sẹ́ẹ̀dì fídíò.
mo máa fi fídíò ẹ̀ wọ̀nyí kẹ wá sọ fún mi.
Bùnmi Mary say see mama I'm just crying here ọmọ ló pọ̀ lójú yín lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́
nígbà tí bandit àti vice president
Nàìjíríà sábòsù Ìjẹ̀ṣà nìyẹn àmì tó máa kàn lọ́la Ọlọ́run kó ṣàánú wa
àwọn bandit tó wọlé
Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó máa dúpẹ́ tiẹ̀ ṣèbí prison Ìjẹ̀ṣà wà tí Mohbad ti kú ìbá àwọn tó parí iṣẹ́ Mohbad àwọn tó parí iṣẹ́ Ìjẹ̀ṣà ló tó parí iṣẹ́ Mohbad wọ́n parí iṣẹ́ tó wọ́n ti jẹ́ kó sùn ibi tó máa lọ́wọ́ sùn sí wọ́n tó lọ wù torí wọ́n fẹ́ gba donation Ìjẹ̀ṣà ó máa dúpẹ́ tiẹ̀ pé ayé ló ń wá àwọn àyà ènìyàn ni ó máa yàn án.
ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ máa bá lọ nínú
say thank you for the
Nàìjíríà
pimples killer cream
ìjọwọ́ lẹ fẹ́ ṣe gbogbo ẹlẹ́yà ọmọ Yorùbá
ṣé ẹ bá ti lo aloe vera yẹn ó máa kọ́ ẹ bá lò ẹ bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ó máa kúrò tí ó máa gbẹ gbogbo pimples aloe vera yẹn ṣiṣẹ́ kan fún pimples Ọlọ́run.
ta ló fẹ́ kó o yíyọ nínú
Ìjẹ̀ṣà máa
nílà
ń pẹ́
yìí
ní
ló
ṣé bí
wàhálà
Ìjẹ̀ṣà lẹ́yìn
Fúlàní
àtàlàfíà ká
fẹ́
ní
kó
pé
sí
òkú ẹ̀ lè gbé jáde ní
nígbà
prison
tẹ
kílẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe
takún sí tẹ́ni kí Donald Trump
kílẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe
máa wà
Ọlọ́run kó
ẹ wo bó
ṣàánú
ṣe ń
wa
pa àwọn èèyàn lọ ní ìpakúpa
Ọlọ́run kó ṣàánú
ẹ wo
àwọn
bó
pípò
ṣe
yìí
ya wọnú ilé ìjọsìn
orí mi ẹlẹ́dàá mi
ẹ wo bó
orí mi
ṣe
ẹlẹ́dàá
ṣe
mi
wọ́n máa
èèyàn bí awó yíyan èèyàn bí ọmọ awó yíyan èèyàn bí ọkọ ọmọ awó yíyan èèyàn bí gbogbo àwọn awó yíyan àtàwọn supporters awó yíyan tó bá kú díẹ̀ kí n pàdé wọn orí mi ẹlẹ́dàá mi bí mi kọjá àwọn má jẹ́ n pàdé wọn tó bá ń bọ̀ wájú má jẹ́ ó bá mi o tó bá ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn má jẹ́ ó lé mi bá èèyàn bí awó yíyan èèyàn bí kọ̀líìgì awó yíyan èèyàn bí àwọn olólùfẹ́ awó yíyan èmi mi ẹlẹ́dàá mi tó ń gbọ́ o má gbé wọn pàdé mi gbogbo ìrìnàjò tí máa rìn láyé nítorí alágbàkọ ni wọn fi re kọyàn àgbákò ló máa fi ń wáyàn kiri wọn kiri àgbákò kiri ni o má jọ kiri lọ́nà mi o. àdúrà tẹ̀kẹ́ máa gbà ìfẹ́ ló dùn sẹ́dá nídìí tó ń rẹ̀
kó wá wo vice president of Nigeria
Nàìjíríà ló ti ń ta ẹ lọ́ra
pẹ̀lú àwọn bandits àwọn
ṣẹ́ni aloe vera if you are having
kó wá wo bí wọ́n ṣe jọ wọ́n
acne strong pimples strong acne
kó wá fojú
tó yẹ pé àgbákò pimples this is the remedy don't buy any cream don't buy any wash
nítorí pé kí ni àlè dúró mọ́
this aloe
àwọn
vera
bandits tún bọ́ síta
wọ́n kọ síbẹ̀ wọ́n ló ṣe fún pimples.
Donald Trump wípé tó bá ti bí ìyá yẹn kó máa bọ̀ àwọn ẹ̀fọn àwọn dúró dé tó bá jẹ́ pa tó bá ní malaria
ìwọ́n dẹ̀ sọ Amazon Júmi Adé ibo lẹ́wà tẹ́tí wọ́n dẹ̀ l'Amazon.
máa play ti vice president.
ìlú ò lè gbé Nàìjíríà lẹ́nu kọ́ ti bá yín ra omi mọ́ wọ́n Amazon omi ìmọ̀wọ́ ẹ̀ o Nàìjíríà mo ti ra o wọ́n lọ ra fake fún yín o tó dọ̀dà bó kórìṣì méjì òun rè wọ́n ní
Nàìjíríà ò kì í ṣe gbogbo ìlú
aloe vera condensation for acne and yeast ṣe ti gbọ́n sí wọ́n ní for pimples àti yeast yẹn ni mi ìmọ̀kan tó ń jẹ́ yeast ìmọ̀kan tó ń jẹ́ acne wọ́n ní sun repair it is rich in curacao aloe vera concentrate which can moderately repair the skin after basking and moistening skin and then to promote healthy and smooth cleanse. It could drench pores and moisturize the skin to improve the uncomfortable feeling caused by acne. UK lè wá ẹ bá ti máa rà lórí àmà ẹ lọ mọ́ ọ̀tá máa ń sàn o but ìtí mo kọ́kọ́ rà tí bá fi massage ojú mi ó máa jẹ́ kójú mi dán bí ẹpọn àgbò but eléyìí tó wá bá mi gẹ̀ẹ́tì yìí eléyìí tí ó máa sink ó máa ojú mi máa ó máa sókè like ojú mi máa ó máa like kí ló fa nǹkan mu ojú mi máa fa ó máa dry sí mi ojú mi máa dry bí skin dry.
wọ́n sọ fún yín pé mo ní ọjà aṣọ lọ́wọ́ tí ẹ bá wọ aṣọ kẹtẹ ẹ wò yìí kò sí ẹlẹ́ lórí áńgà tẹ́lẹ̀ mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yọ jáde ni kò sí lórí áńgà látara wípé àwọn tí mo hàn wọ́n ti fẹ́ kó tán mo ní láti kó àwọn míì síta bákan náà tẹ́ bá wo àwọn àdìrẹ yìí sí kò sí wọ́n ta tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí display rẹ̀ ní láti àná bí ìjẹtaṣá òun ní very beautiful style yẹn gan ó wà pàgìdì àwọn fáìfáì aṣọ ó wà lọ́dọ̀ Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwa tó bá dẹ̀ jáwọ́ búbù bírú tí mo wọ̀ ní ẹ wo materials búbù yìí this one is materials búbù mo ní wọn lóríṣiríṣi ẹ lè lò lásìkò òtútù tá a wà yìí lọ sí patí kò sẹ́ni tó ń ṣe patí tí ó mọ̀ pé òtútù mú lọ́wọ́ ìdílé òyìnbó tẹ́ bá ti wọ gbogbo dédé náà sísàlẹ̀ ẹ rọra gbé kan yín lé lórí ẹ ya gèlè yín lé designer ni style ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni style ni ẹ pè mí èyí tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ ẹ wọ àwọn aṣọ they are all beautiful fine style mo ní wọn lóríṣiríṣi ni ó wà èyí tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ ẹ pè mí ẹ wọ àwọn lace and ankara ẹ wò wọ́n ṣe ti rí báyìí mo sọ fún yín ní kí àná wípé I have 3 of this ó ti kù méjì ẹ̀ ló kù 2 size méjì ló kù èyí tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ó fà ìgò ṣọdún ẹ tètè rajà ó tó yín sílẹ̀ kí tètè bá yín ship ẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀ pé tó bá ti ń dàsìkò ọdún ṣíbí ò kí tètè dé kí lè tètè bá yín ship ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ mo ní àwọn aṣọ fine ones tó fà gidi tí ẹ bá láìkì àwọn tí mo fi wọ̀ yìí ẹ pè mí màá tún kó àwọn mi jáde tẹ́ máa rí iṣẹ́ tiri báyìí ẹ wá aṣọ yìí náà ó fine gan kí ni size eléyìí this one is size 14-16 èèyàn tó bá lo 14-16 ló máa lo eléyìí ó fine gan mo ní wọn bá kan náà dẹ̀dẹ̀ tàwọn dádì náà gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà àwọn fine cloths ó wà lọ́wọ́ mi ẹ pè mí kí ìfọjà hàn yín kí tètè bá yín send wọn anywhere tẹ́ bá wà má bá yín send any country má bá yín send ẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin mọ́ bíbí tẹ́ wá UK tẹ́ máa ń ra aṣọ lọ́wọ́ mi ẹ̀yin dá o ẹ ní wà kí sàkẹ́yìn aṣọ ẹ tètè pè mí kí tètè bá yín sẹ́ndì aṣọ yín ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti nídìí àwọn aṣọ ẹ pé Lady K kí tètè bá yín sẹ́ndì ẹ̀ sí location yín anywhere tẹ́ bá wà màá bá yín sẹ́ndì ẹ̀ sí ẹ wo gold colour yìí ẹ mọ̀ pé gold òde kì í select kò sí colour tí ò bá lọ bíbù ni o ẹ wo bó ṣe fine ẹ̀yin náà wò ó fine gan bíìdì tó wà lára ẹ̀ ó wà pa bíìdì wà lára ẹ̀ stone wà lára ẹ̀ tó fi design ẹ̀ mo ní wọn lóríṣiríṣi bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe fẹ́ wọn sí tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pàǹkárá náà ni ó wà ìró àti bùbá ó wà skirt and blouse ó wà àdìrẹ ó wà èyí tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ pè mí bákan náà gbogbo èyí tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra product iléeṣẹ́ TL Natural Bar gbogbo èyí tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra gúnmu manpower pákúrú mọ́kódó dáadáa ẹ fẹ́ ra ti diabetes ó sì wà available báyìí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra African food kò síbi tí mi ò send African food sí kò sí country náà UK France lédè ìṣèyàn ti pè mí pé àwọn ti gbọjà wọn ní France African food dẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti pè mí pé wọ́n ti gbà á ní France lénìí bí ìtẹ́ expect pé ó máa fast bẹ́ẹ̀ because orí omi la gbé gbà kò dẹ̀ lo 2 weeks tó fi débẹ̀ kò pé 2 weeks yes kò pé 2 weeks mo send ẹ̀ lọ́n di 5 wọ́n ti gbà lé ní on the 19 that is kàṣà ní 2 weeks ṣá nǹkan tó dẹ̀ sọ fún wa pé 1 month lọ́ ló máa débẹ̀ ó pẹ́ ju 1 month ó ti débẹ̀ 2 weeks I was so happy gan inú mi tiẹ̀ máa ń dùn tí bá send ọjà lọ sáwọn ọ̀nà jíjìn yẹn ọkàn mi balẹ̀ ó máa débẹ̀ láyé àti àlàáfíà so gba ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá nídìí àwọn ọjà ẹ pè mí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá wá nídìí àwọn nǹkan ètò àdúrà ṣẹ́rílẹ̀ ayé bóyá torí mo jẹ́ spiritual person ni o ni mo ṣe ti oríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣiríṣi ni mo fi mọ̀ wípé ilé ayé kò ṣe dúró wò kò ṣe dúró wò tẹ́lómi bá pè tó bá sọ nǹkan tó ń fèsì báyìí ó máa ń yà èmi gan lẹ́nu pé nínú ayé yìí màá tún wá dára mi padà sínú ọ̀rọ̀ báíbù torí kò sí tuntun lábẹ́ ọ̀run àríwó eléyìí àfidẹ́rùbọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ ni owó àwọn àgbà nìyẹn. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn mo bẹ̀ yín mo rọ̀ yín ẹ̀yin mọ́mí ẹ̀yin dáàdì gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá láwọn àdójúkọ tẹ́ ẹ̀ dojúkọ ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ kó tọ̀ Ọlọ́run lọ òun nìkan ló lè ṣe òun lọ gbanigbani tí máa ń gba láìlára ó máa gba èmi àti yín ọ̀rọ̀ wa máa dijó ó máa di ayọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá nídìí àwọn ọkọ̀ àdúrà yẹn ẹ pè mí áìdà fún ìṣẹ́gun àbí fún àánú àbí fún ìtúsílẹ̀ àbí fún ìgbéga àbí fún ìlọsíwájú ẹ pè mí ó wà available lọ́dọ̀ Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwaṣò any spiritual products ẹ bá ti fẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá òun ni mo ní tó wà available àdúrà gbogbo wa gbà lórúkọ Jésù àní ṣe lásán o àní ṣe àṣedànù ojú òní tiwa ìbànújẹ́ ó kéré ó tóbi ìwà wọn tó tún pàjọ torí Ọlọ́run kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà báyìí kí o má lè lọ sórí fóònù kó jẹ́ pé àwọn nǹkan burúkú ilé ẹ̀rọ máa come across ó ga ọ ẹ wo ẹ̀yin ẹbẹ̀yìn bàbá mi ẹ wá ra ohun tí mò ń ta ojú òní tì yìí ẹ ṣé gan ni mo dúpẹ́ o ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sí YouTube channel mi kẹtọ notification bell mélòó la fẹ́ máa fi ṣe program mélòó la fẹ́ máa kó síta lójúmọ́ mélòó léèyàn fẹ́ kó síta lójúmọ́ ẹ wo ó ga ọ Ọlọ́run á kó wa yọ nílùú Nàìjíríà ẹ ṣeun gan ẹ bá mi subscribe sí YouTube channel mi kẹ́ni bá mi tọ notification bell ó dàbọ̀.